Hello. I know some of you will not like to wait because you are tired of this song, isn't it? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I can see some of us are here this hour. Let me start with where should I start? Okay. Evans Ike, I see you. Evans Ike, I hope you are still here because you are the first that made a comment. I hope you are still here. We have Candy Chiazo, you're welcome. You're welcome. And we have, okay, so still the same person. Also blessed, our brother, you are here. Nice to see you. Emmanuel, you're welcome. Chiazo again, okay. Thank you. Eze Wesley, I greet you. Eze Wesley, you always use this music to scatter my head. Please, where can I get the full music? Okay, you want to have the full song, right? You want to have the full music. I hear you. Where you get it is your guy reports. My brother, are you still here? If you are still here, let me know. Cheers, I see you. And Armstrong, greetings to you. Good evening, Kai. Good evening to you, Wanda Madu. You're welcome. You're welcome. And we have our own brother, Daniel. Daniel, you are welcome. CJ, we are here. You are here. One day, one number. Okay, so we are going to start. Today is this is a Friday night, and to some of you, you already on in the Saturday morning, I believe. Some are still in the Friday afternoon, evening. You are welcome. Accept my greetings depending on time, location, and please like the video. Okay, like the video. This hour, while we are here to go through something that is very, very important. All right, and that is some reaction. Hey, I am lucky to have you. Oluchiwa God. Did I skip? Okay, I did not skip a message. Wow. To have you this hour, that means this program got working on. No. To have you now, you and Armstrong, is a question. Those are people, and Daniel, the kaja, care for this guy, this man, something prophet. One again, I know one in the can. That's not Wahala, my brother. I am na program tata. This is keta tata. Now this program can work somehow. To have all that you are God this hour. I'm happy to see you. Really, I'm happy to see you. And I don't know where's Madam Origin. I have not seen her for some time. Where's Madam Origin? I hope all is well. Anyway, just a moment. Yeah, Master Prophet, thank you. Here's a question. Just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. I have to quickly check on something, and I am through with that. Please, like I said, do me a favor, like the video, okay? It won't cost you anything. There's no need for you to be watching just to tap on the like button. You are finding it difficult. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's worth doing. Please try your best, okay? CJ said, my beloved brother, you too much with this your music. They will my CJ. Say, I like your name, CJ. I like that name. And I don't know the full meaning. CJ is just like abbreviation, isn't it? As the question say, wahala. Now you now you with the weight. Okay. All you are God. I greet you, sir. And Master Prophet, yes, Master Prophet. That music is for Oringo people. Okay, Iboyo Ringo. Are you Iboyo Ringo? Iboyo Ringo. I am not Oyo Ringo. I just like the vibes. That vibe, if I can like it. Okay. But up to the village, Even into the village, there's no way na much like Egwa. Less money, but then maybe na you know na if I name. You got to go. I won't need the more money, but I'm more. We got what if Egwa. This Egwa. I don't know about the matter prophet. Some of them, I'm a religious person, but not other crazy one. Then Money Man said, "They were massacre and they were." I think we have done justice to the comments, and we are here for something very, very important. I cannot even download the video because the video is fresh as today's bread. Abonyefai, I see you. I see you, Abonyefai. So we all know what these people represent. We all know what they represent. Okay, Ma is CJ, Ma is Chijo Keugu, Chijo Keugu, Owa 042. 042, my brother. Obona say, I remember Yanka one. Remember, Apaga 042 straight ahead. 042, 042. But if I say good morning, sir, good morning, sir, to you, you're welcome. You're welcome. Madam Origin. Madam Origin, doing okay in a meeting now. Guess for the next hour. Okay. All right. Please, Madam Origin, take time, take your time and enjoy yourself in your meeting. Just a moment. Just a moment. All right. So Sonapara made a program. In this program, he says something that I want us to pay close attention. You know, one thing in life is when you are protecting something and midst of protecting that thing, you are actually exposing yourself. Most especially when you must have said something contradicting that thing that you are trying to protect. You can't just imagine you now, you just want to, let's assume you wake up and you want to defend Kai reports, all right? And you said that whatever Kai report do is good. Everything Kai report say is perfect. Kai report is next to God. Without Kai report, there's nothing good. You know, you are saying that defending Kai report. Then somehow, those things that people are talking about Kai report that is not good, Kai report happen to give you just little measure of it. Then you now realize, you now realize that Kai report is actually not so good. For you to do that, you forgot all these praises that you sing about Kai report in the past, and begin to call Kai report names, insult Kai report, begin to say all manner of nonsensical things against Kai report. You have praised him before, and guess what? You did all those things in a live video. You made a video, your own video, singing praise of Kai report. I've said a lot. In fact, you have undermined every bad thing that Kai report do. Even the word that is staring at your face, you don't want to talk. You don't care. Your intention is just to promote Kai report. Current concern, promote him. Then that thing that Kai reports have done to other people, that people complained about it, you don't care about people's feeling towards that Kai report did. You now receive your own portion because it's a matter of time. You will receive it. Then you don't remember those things that you said previously, singing praises of Kai report. Like any sensible human being that must have listened to both sides of your video or your statement can conclude that you are not a good person, you are actually a criminal. Because only a criminal will do that. Bring it on. As long as it's favor you. Kai report is good when Kai report is doing something that favor you. when Kai Report do something that may be good to other people, and that is not favoring you, oh, you realize that Kai Report somehow is a bad man. That means you're a criminal. Why am I saying all those things? This video of Sonak Parawa trying to justify reason why listening to the instruction alleged from PM, that those instructions, because honestly, I am tired of talking about PM said, PM did not say. But I want to draw our attention to one thing that will help you to analyze or understand some of these characters that is claiming to bring, that they are bringing Biafra to you. Most especially those that have worked, those of them in the media when PM was here, and they don't want to stand on the side of the truth simply because they want to promote somebody or protect whatever that I don't know. In the midst of doing that, they're actually exposing themselves. Now, Mazawa devoted his time, sing praises of PM, later turn around and insult him, come back again, right? Now, when Biafra was declared, not him, all of them have, the only difference between Mazakwa and Sona Barawa and the rest of them is time. That is just time different, because when this one is exposing himself, the other one may seem to be calm. When the other one starts his own, the other one may be calm. But at the end of the day, they all lie for a living. They lie and expose themselves. Darling, I see you. I can see your comment now. He said, "Good evening, Guy Report. You are welcome. I see you. Nice to hear from you this hour." So we cannot just flush our memory because we don't want to remember what they have said in the past. So now Barawa devoted his time saying that PM send message to them, that PM that you people say you love told you to fall back. You guys say you should fall back to the platform, to the group that the PM, whom you say is your leader, is here. Your PM called you to come back. Your PM say you should you should stay with the platform, the brig. PM said everybody should fall back. PM said everybody should fall back. The question is, when PM said those things, where was PM? Was he detained? Was he in prison? Now that PM told them not to go to court, they said that PM is a selfish man. He's protecting Orabeze. The memo, everybody have seen that memo, right? Okay. Now Mazakwa said that PM send a message to Elias. I don't know what the message is all about. I don't even care to know. Now, only for them to start now saying that that PM don't have right to send message while he's in prison. But you have spent almost a year plus now shouting that PM said, PM told. You even brought his ex-wife that just to cement it that this is what PM said. Everything about PM, you guys have used it. All of a sudden, you are now realizing that, oh, talking about PM in the public is actually implicating him, and they may even use that against him in the court. In the court. When they told us that someone, the different prime minister, said people should that CS should not use his stamp of office, use his bringing name, attach his name and the picture and everything. He should let her just go out from social media. Them mother. They said those things so that CS should just leave social media. Don't use this, don't use this, don't use this, don't use that. After saying those things, you are not telling people to listen to you that PM instructed their friend to do this, do this and do that, don't do this. Are they okay? Is it normal? Or is there anything I'm missing that let's say, is there anything that I'm not getting? Ikebukwa said, C is Chiji, okay. Yes. U is Ugu. That is my name, my beloved brother Kai. Dewo is one name. That's why I said that. I know the meaning. You have actually said it already. But what I'm saying is that people that bear that kind of names are mainly from Enugu State. That's why I said that name 1042. Okay, that's why I said that you have 1042 because your name. Okay, especially Ugu. Enugu people answer bear Ugu so much. Especially those from like a Soka side. Many of them bear that name, Ugu. Anyway, I want you to listen to Kadi said Chiazo said bunch of deplorable who is listening to them in their that they still have they call the family, they call the person or they call the guru. So I want you to hear Sona Barawa, trying to justify the fact that list to PM is does not make sense to him. Okay, and keep Bazwa. No, I don't have time to all this.
They control INEC. They control.
Now let's listen to him.
Thank you very much, Mr. Acting Prime Minister. I don't need. First of all, it's good to see Biafra represented so well in Washington, D.C. Unlike in Nigeria and unlike in Finland, we're not going to arrest dissidents.
What you are watching is congressional briefing and the congressional hearing of Oginkere. No congressman appeared there, not even one. Not even one. I am not here to talk about it, but let's go to the program itself.
Represented so well in Washington.
No. This guy is the reason why.
Or that we taken to.
I want to start from the beginning. Where did he even start? Let's start from here, please. Let's start from here. Now listen.
I bring you warm greetings to everyone listening to us from all over the globe. On the 18th of September 2025, we gathered here in Washington, D.C., the Capitol Hill of America. I salute our leaders that have lived before us and those that are living now, that are in prison, that are fighting, or that were taken to prison.
Okay, sorry, this late hour where I'm trying to have a brand for this late hour broadcast that each time we come, I have to put my link in case if anybody that want to say something before you sleep, you can jump in and say why we are running the program. So that you join me does not mean that I have to stop playing the video though. You may be on the studio while we are still going through this. If you want to add your opinion, you can do that. So that's normal. That's how I want to be doing it. The link will be out now. Let me put it. And not only put it, I think I need to also pin it. Well, where is that? Let me pin it here. I have to pin it on the chat. For those of you that want to join, you can. And please, the reminder is there. Please make sure you like the video. And please share it to many platforms of your choice. I have done that too, but it cannot really be me doing that. So if you don't mind, you can share it to WhatsApp, share it to your friends, anybody that you think that actually need to understand one or two things, the way this guy roll, what they do to cover up impunity, and our own is to expose it. Okay, for for everybody to know, to understand what they're actually trying to do. Now let's go back and hear him.
For the cause of Biafra. Salute all of you that are watching and those that are joining and those that will join us later and those that will listen to this program later on. Please share and invite other people in. Yes. I salute our APM. I salute the entire BRGI. I salute the de facto in the homeland. I salute VDF and everyone that have been doing everything possible to make sure that we get to where we are today. Let me re-echo what Michael Rubin said again, because I want everyone to understand something.
Thank you very much, Mr. Acting Prime Minister. I don't need, first of all, it's good to see Biafra represented so well in Washington, D.C.
First of all, it's good to see Biafrans represented so well in Washington, D.C. And you don't need to be afraid because you are not in Finland, because in America, we don't arrest dissidents. It's good to see Biafrans represented so well in Washington, D.C. White House, the capital of America. That is a take-home message for you. It's good to see Biafrans.
Did he say we in America? And I want to understand that part.
Because I want everyone to understand something.
Thank you very much, Mr. Acting Prime Minister. I don't need, first of all, it's good to see Biafra represented so well in Washington, D.C.
First of all, it's good to see Biafrans represented so well in Washington, D.C. And you don't need to be afraid because you are not in Finland.
Okay.
Because in America, we don't arrest dissidents.
So we don't arrest. Okay, continue.
It's good to see Biafrans represented so well in Washington, D.C. White House, the capital of America. That is a take-home message for you. It's good to see Biafrans represented so well in the U.S. Capitol, in the White House of America. It's good to see Biafrans represented so well. We continue to warn and call the attention of everyone who says he loves Biafra. He loves Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he loves Mazi Simon Ekpa so much. Because most of you that are actually walking to the death of Mazi Simon Ekpa, you are the ones claiming to love him more than Sonny. Yes. You are the ones arranging meeting and then dragging him to the meeting, and then you bring people that are not supposed to be there in the meeting. Whatever he says in the meeting, you record him, you share it in the social media to implicate him the more inside prison, so that they will increase his jail term. You are the one, when he calls on phone or when you visit, you tell him that the rest of the people are digging his grave. That is actually you alone that is the good guy. So you condemn everybody. And then you will tell Simon to carry phone and start calling people from inside prison. So that everything that he is saying is being recorded by Finland detention facility. And as it is recorded, it is used against him. As it is recorded, it is used against him. As it is recorded, it is used against him. But you claim that you love Simon more than BRGI. You claim you love Simon more than Sonny. You claim you love Simon. more than APM. You claim you love Simon more than Minister Success. You claim you love Simon more than the Biafra Defense Forces. You claim you love Simon more than all the ministers of PRT. You claim you love Simon more than all the Biafrans who are donating their hard-earned money and channeling that money to the right cause which it is supposed to be used for.
You see now, everything he's trying to say here sounds good. In case, for those who don't know him, the same thing that you are criticizing now has been your ordeal. This has been your way of living. As long as the thing, you know, that you are doing it in favor of Ogenker and your clique, it means nothing. Like, it is well acceptable. There's no problem. But now, Mazakwa is doing that because that's what you guys, you know, what you people do. You spend time, you went to PM before. Through Imam Madabodo. Oh, Ngozi, ask Ngozi Adabu Fulani, when last did she visit PM? Ask Ngozi Adabu Fulani, what did the PM said? Ngozi, when last did you get message from PM? Your video is still there. Your videos are there. You use the same tactics. This thing that Mazakwa is doing now, because that is what Imam Madabu do for a living. I am the one that here for PM. I visited PM. PM will say PM. Then when PM, you know, met with him outside in that court case, PM was looking at Imam Madabu like pure enemy. I don't know the reason why, but you see, this idea of Imam Madabu is the one hearing for PM. Imam Madabu is the one embracing PM. That's why I have issue with anyone that claims that you have resigned or you are no longer with the USB government, but you are not judging USB government based on, oh, PM did not call you, PM did not see you, PM did not receive you, PM did not say this. The same people that are meeting, telling you that they are meeting PM now, has been the same people that used to do the same thing with the Ogenkere group. The moment the man they come from Ogenkere now, they're no longer talking about, oh, did you hear from PM? I talked to PM today. Remember when Ogenkere used to say that PM, my able prime minister called me, I spoke with the PM, we talked about 30 minutes. My PM asked me, how's your family? I told him my family is okay. Those things was powered by Imam Madabu from A to Z. Now that Imam Madabu is no longer there, they are no longer hearing from PM. And it doesn't mean anything anymore. It is now normal. Okay? Then those of you that was with USB government that don't care about what Imam Madabu used to do with Ogenkere then, oh, meet PM, PM meet me, I talk to PM. You understand it then. You did not leave USB government because USB government to you was not hearing from PM. You left because of your personal decision, which is best known to you. You are no longer with the USB government, but you are now trying to convince people or giving excuses that Ngozi and USB government, they are fake. They are fake. And the reason why they are fake is because they are not hearing from PM. The question I have for you, did you left because of that? Or you leave, then you now join the clique that claiming that they are the one that hear from PM. And you want to use that scenario, that story, to now win souls for the man that have been shouting that hear from PM. He's in charge of hearing from PM. Imam Madabu have made himself like a SIM card or networking that can only connect anybody with PM. Anywhere he fall, he brings the connection. Whether imaginary PM or original PM, I don't know. But why is it that Ogenkere is they are no longer bragging of hearing from PM? because that source is no longer with them. Have they disintegrated or disappear or vanish because of that? The answer is no. But they used to tell USB government to vanish because they don't hear from PM. You see, double standard, hypocrite. It will take you nowhere. This man was judging everything with that question. Go and ask Ngozi, when last did you hear from PM? Have PM ever called you? Ngozi can never near PM at all. It's only Briggy that he got information from PM. It's only Briggy that PM will talk to. That's what they used to say. Now, hearing from PM does not. Now that PM, that man, the man that is no longer with them, they are not saying that hearing from PM does not matter. It does not matter anymore. What matters now? After all, PM is in prison. You don't listen to someone in prison. But for 1 year plus, because it's no longer benefiting you, you are now remembering that waiting to hear from PM, it doesn't really count anymore. So now Barawa is here trying to tell you the reason why PM message doesn't matter. In fact, there's no need that you should not even wait to hear from PM at all. That hearing from PM is just like replicating him. You are here from PM, but this is the same. Listen, I'm not telling you that hearing from PM is good or bad. What I'm trying to say is this: how do you want me to feel, or how do you want to convince me that you have told us that hearing from PM is a source of life, meaning that you are genuine, right? Genuine people hear from PM, okay. Now that you are no longer hearing from PM, not because the PM don't want you to hear from him, but I don't know about this, if that one is decision from PM, but the man that makes you or give you or claim to bring him that message from PM is no longer with you. That is why we are no longer hearing Biafrans. I just finished talking with the PM. PM called me. I spoke with 30 minutes, and the PM said, a man that is in prison, going through fighting for us, still have the kind heart to send greetings, warm greetings to me and my family. Biafran, I'm bringing to you the warm greeting from our PM. You are saying those things publicly. Now the same source that used to give you now, they are not telling you that there's a message also from PM to Elias. You turn it around and said, how can PM talk from prison? PM talking from prison, and you have the other. You are the one that bringing it out. Do you know they are implicating PM because it's no longer the message that you want to hear. And that brings me to people that resign or being sacked from USB government. One of the things that most of you have questioned Biafran of is asking Ngozi, did the PM call her? Is she hearing from PM? Since when hearing from PM become the only validation that you are getting it right? Since when? Do you all realize that PM receives such argument from the US? No, Ekperima is no longer hearing from anybody. We have cut him off. He let him continue with his group. All this group, Ekperima group, criminals. We heard it, that is the line of the argument of the US in the past. They used to say that. And you are now using the same pattern to convince Chiginowagi. Who does that? Now here's Anakbarawa trying to act as if our brain has been cleaned up or formatted. Really? Why is this a man for you? Listen to him.
But you guys are the one actually dragging him out, dragging his name out everywhere. In media, you will hear, am I sending message? Or for my sending message. Ajari was online a few days ago, doing broadcast, and telling the entire world that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa inside detention, somebody is inside cell, that he is using a detention facility phone that is calling Elias, that is sending message to Elias, that Elias will come and play the message online for the entire world to hear.
Okay. And he have issue with it. But this is the same man that told why he's such. There's a message in your phone. Read it to reference. I swear to God, if you don't pay attention to these people, myself. Imagine Sonak Barawa, the same voice, the same man, the same being that came out and shouted, "Oh, Ada, there's a message in your phone, message from PM. Read it, come and tell Biafran, deliver the message that PM sent to you. That message that PM sent to you, deliver it to him." Imam Adabu coded that message with their group. Some of them may say, "Oh, you are putting allegation on him." No. The same man came up with from Eggman. They have presented a series of AI. Okay? Before even the last one. And people are not paying attention. Imagine this guy have the audacity now to question anybody, telling them to bring the message that why do you are having issue with it? Come on, one kind of other balance. So are you not the same person that was calling why he said to come and read the message from PM out? That PM will send message to you because no suit to your narrative. All of a sudden, you are now realizing that reading PM even sending message from detention can actually implicate him. So we now have right to say that you guys have been implicating PM all this while, because that is what you guys do for a living. My honorable minister, I am here to deliver the message that PM sent to Biafrans. Oh, to Gekere Sagoni and Onekun. The same pattern. Are you kidding me? Please pay attention again. Am I dreaming? What's wrong with this guy? Listen.
But you claim that you love Simon more than BRJ. You claim you love Simon more than Sonny. You claim you love Simon more than APM. You claim you love Simon more than Minister Success. You claim you love Simon more than the Biafra Defense Forces. You claim you love Simon more than all the ministers of BRJ. You claim you love Simon more than all the Biafrans who are donating their hard-earned money and channeling that money to the right cause which it is supposed to be used for. But you guys are the one actually dragging him out, dragging his name out everywhere. You come to the media, you will hear, am I sending message? Or for my sending message. Ajari was online a few days ago doing broadcast and telling the entire world that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa inside detention, somebody is inside cell, that he is using the detention facility phone, that he is calling Elias, that is sending message to Elias, that Elias will come and play the message online for the entire world to hear.
Now, breaking news. I don't know how true is this from our own brother here, from our sister. Is it Petra? Petra is now telling us that Moran global strategists have left, have departed from Elias, with Elias, Grasodes, with Isaiah and Yob. Okay, that's what it should be. That is exactly what it should be. And this is why they are running helter-skelter. There's no sensible human being that will take Ogekere serious. I'm being real. No, unless if your brain is not actually in order, or your own hatred on PM beyond human repair, like only demon can have that kind of hatred. But some demons are in human form. You never can tell. Please, Petra, I don't know if you have my WhatsApp number. Please, can you give me the source of this message? So after the program, I can try and see how the whole thing has played out, if you don't mind. My WhatsApp number is, you can see it on the screen. Okay, you can see it on the screen. Because these guys are demons. Madam Ojugo is here. I'm happy to have you again. You know, we are welcome, ma. You're welcome.
Good evening, Cry Report.
I greet you. I greet you. How's your family?
Good, and yours?
God is faithful.
Yes, so we thank God. Thank God for the year.
Exactly.
Good evening. How y'all doing inside?
Let me know if it's that noisy because I'm in my store right now.
Okay. Just come back later. Just mute your mic.
Okay.
Yeah. So this our mommy that joined us is always is another source of energy. People that understand the situation we are. Everything these people are saying, what they are claiming, most of it, if not all, are those things they preached before. You told people to come and read messages from PM. PM will send a message to you guys, and you say you love PM. Why can't you fall back? Because you want people to fall back. To do what, actually? To do what? Body language, zero. Presentation, zero. Any meaningful thing from you, nothing. Yet you want to lead. Okay, Sachuana. Okay. Okay, Sachibigo. Please do me a favor, like the video, do me a favor, like the video. Let's continue. Just hear him. Here's another one.
This is how foolish some of you have become. Yes. This is how foolish some of you has become. If Finland government did not even pay attention to the call line in the prison detention that Simon uses to make call before, they will now be drawn to the attention that there is a message from one of his affiliates who is here, who claims that is loyal to him, that is bringing message from him. That message says that he is using phone call there to give order from outside here. But we had already filed cases to put it that he is not giving order, that it has nothing to do with the direction or ordinances of things. Because a man that is in prison should not be the one giving orders.
Giving order depends on the order. When they say don't give order, because what these guys when people call them criminal, they say you are insulting them. Giving order from prison differs. There are some orders that doesn't really matter whether you're in prison or not. Chuayaba just made the broadcast and he addressed his people. What did he say there? He told them to even train what I will call when I'm cancel and buy because of the platform. Yeah, live broadcast. Open uploaded video. I don't have much issue. What I can work over the student of a gam more case use court. Chiayaba on a prison in the Norway where such message. In you want to you have enjoyed message from that you have enjoyed this message now. That two messages that came from Mazakwa and Mama Dabo, that you guys are panicking and shivering. Just one though, one of the messages. The other one is well known to everybody that you guys should withdraw from court case. You withdrew, but your anger and bitterness against PM is still is visible to even a blind man. Man, that the issue of Elias, because Elias is the one championing this idea that Ogekere is now the prime minister. Elias is the one championing it. Ogekere is now the prime minister. His post, everything is shocking. Even you in this video, you said that he's the one that the acting prime minister now. Yes, because each time this guy lies, he will say yes, just to solidify that lie to make it look like real. He will tell you, you guys, if he said that okay, is the one paying this and paying, he knew that this is a lie. He will echo it, he will end it with this echo. Yes. Why? Because you want it to look more real. Psychologically, you want to manipulate people's sense of reason. And you cannot succeed. And being real, you can't succeed. It's a matter of time. Everything will unfold. But about you, I think you are back. I think you are back.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Thank you.
Yes. I think every Dick and Harry knows very well, very, very well, especially those their friends that are following up and have been following up knows why anybody following Ogenkere is following Ogenkere. All of them that still, after all this, still follow Ogenkere, go check all of them. They all had issue with Simon at the PM, including this Akbarawa. So they all have Akbarawa had a big issue with PM. So whatever they are doing now, they're doing it out of hatred. And it's just a pity that this Elias is staining his name, from one country to another country, he's losing it all. So he need to retreat back, and find another formula. I think he indulges himself with criminal activities. Wherever he can be to make money, that's what he's after. Not after helping people for anything. No. So, and that's why it's working well, between him and Ogenkere and Sonia Marawa, because they understand themselves better. Well better. And trust me, if you're thinking that they're going to make a change or U-turn, if PM comes out, that's not going to work. They're determined to be where they are. But what we promise them is that they will use their money, and Elias will come out to campaign for money. That's why we're waiting for them. That's why, because they're all full of liars. This guy is talking about somebody in prison cannot give order. What about the one that, like you said, one Yusiocha got? He was the one laughing and calling her, come and say it, and then that
Exactly. How did they even know that the message from PM to the woman's phone?
Because they created that and put it inside her phone. They've used that woman so bad, and they've destroyed her. She ended up becoming just an empty shell. I don't know if to go Ejuna. When we got it back, Ejuna, would be a that's the point they left one in shelter of France.
I'm telling you.
And where's the video?
Hey.
I must be order this time. Nothing.
No, the woman, to be honest with you, that woman is back to her default setting because everybody can suppose if on the guitar left on the guitar, baby, women can't just wire come never before. Yeah, with her default setting come on your because she cannot contribute anything, she can't afford anything, she's just there. She's just there. And that's it. All this while, Biafran is what that elevated her, honorable like one of her co used to call her. That this man called
Obi is somebody.
Honorable Bonandeke.
So honorable. Yeah, but sometimes you work at it with your watch. Because they're just making fun of. Look at this man talking about someone cannot give other. What about Ogen Kere? Ogen Kere on Neso. Can you imagine Ogen? How many times? Can you count how many times this same Ogen Kere that this guy is following come out and said, I spoke with PM for 30 minutes.
For
And
30
what did he
minutes.
say? He says, how are you doing? How is your family? That's all for 30 minutes.
Kita I am going to I have to go okay that PM na-ekwu ya before no Imam Madab.
You see?
The moment Imam Madab happened their camp now, I don't know PM causes it on a phone. Almost number again. Almost number again.
Oh, Imam Madab already all this things in that man.
Oh, Imam Madab will need to
Old man.
Because since your he cannot PM will say this. No.
Yeah, that's true.
No.
So that now he doesn't want another person to say a PM will call. PM will call is calling everybody now. Because you guys, it's not calling you people are falling away from the call. Now you want every other person that is still receiving call to stop. No. The same thing that they did with the man that interviewed Ogenkere. The man ended up asking questions and answering it.
You know what? I think I need to look for that program again. I think I will just. I think I need to upload it again so that people will watch it. I think I'm because that program is very important. So that some of you thinking that he's talking to this congressman. I'm not saying he's not meeting a congressman. It's possible, but what are they actually discussing? Because
it's not meeting anybody. Let me tell you, it's not meeting anybody. Because after the meeting, when they're going out to the hall like that after their meeting, you can stand by, and take a picture. You can say, "Excuse me," some nice one will just take a picture with you. It's not, it's not discussing anything. I'm just telling you, it's not. It's just taking pictures.
There's a picture they shared that picture. I think a couple of days ago. Is it up to a week? And I'm not sure. That picture, they took that picture inside one of the congressmen, one of the office with the congressman, and they captured people and Nandini Kunafana the MET congressperson office. So so now watch every day load this extent, okay?
They're watching everything that is happening. They are watching it. And like that guy is just sleepless.
It's not an about
yes. Because now is the with anger and cause.
It's not possible. You are the one now. Okay, you know the ebe ubo, ebe awobi. In my business now.
Yes.
You will look at the man ebe you never expect ka that would make high, right?
Awesome. Yes.
So imanga will look at the man ebe awono. You never expect ka
jump out.
What do you expect? In our class, non-stop. One of our brothers called me yesterday. One of our brothers called me yesterday. Hey, I am begging him to address Biafra just once. He's a lawyer. I hope maybe he's watching this program. Very, very smart person. Very, very intelligent. Our people are gifted, you. He said a lot about what is going on now and Ogengere deal and activities. Very, very important too. And as God, I just pray that God will make us have that, hear from him once, so that you will hear from him as well, not only me. You
Yeah,
know,
by God's grace. So let them, even if it's to join your distance, that would, like coming like the way we're coming in, that would be awesome.
it,
Because what is driving a lot of our people where do you get the smart people now? It's just this thing that the mother can get a demand that they are doing. That's what, it's not everybody
I
can tolerate
I
it. It's not
saw that.
everybody that have that thick skin.
Open PM with the presence of our brother. Eh? Okay, get it. No, because others he
Oh
said,
yeah.
yeah, okay,
Oh yeah.
okay, get it. But
Oh yeah. There's
can
women
it, can
all the going to use to it. All the go you may all got to well now.
one
Oh
call.
one gum over Canada TV or so one gum. Canada TV so one gum.
Oh my goodness. Armstrong, thank you so much for your super chat. Armstrong say for whatever in USB we stand. Yes, so my brother,
Yes,
thank you so
so
much.
yes,
I
so
appreciate you. God was
yes, so
our own brother.
some I just something like people put an akara in Bejebe.
And I call that
Akara
camera.
in
And they live
Bejebe.
for my or give you like I said.
Nah, I'm not come out beg.
I'm going to take it. I will touch your man. Ewe kumuli na ya. Maka na
Hey, I'm telling you, this people, that's why whatever they're saying now, it's too bad. The Biafrans are not listening to them anymore. It's just a forgetting beaver. Like, I think it was yesterday. Trina TV was playing Adada Rama's
program.
Lazoba's program.
Mm.
And then to the point that he allowed people, he said, let him allow at least like 3 to call in to see, to listen. If there will be somebody in their midst that will understand whatever Lazuba was reading out, because she did not understand what she was reading, what they sent to her. Do you know we listened to that like 3 calls? They were sounding like, I don't know if Lazuba is better than them or they are better than Lazuba. I'm telling you. And then he was like,
In
he was like, let me allow more people and see if there are better people. If more people come, yeah, Jesus Christ. So Kerena was like, no wonder the devil is black. Can you imagine? Even the man that tried to understand it a little bit was arguing with, okay, but I can hear you. It was okay. It was the man was arguing with Lazuba because he got the point, but Lazuba did not get it at all. And the man was trying to put Lazuba online, but Lazuba refused. He wasn't getting it at all. He was just like,
I am coming back to this topic because all the interest.
and then the man gave up. Obatago. Okay.
Thank you for your super chat. God bless you, sir. Please unmute your mic. Let's hear from you before you naturally roll.
Okay, Maz, good evening.
I greet you, sir.
Good morning from my own side. Our sister there were Kene.
Welcome, my brother.
Maz Kai, why I even coming is because of Sona Barawa's face. Because of his face. Just the guy is so bitter here. He's so bitter. You see, Maz, that's why it's always good. Imagine on that, they can know honest.
Yeah.
And when born up for success, when I hear and deceive or how success
Honorable.
yes, not just yes, success even before Abato being a problem. already has had problem with success. This is which I am aware 100%.
Okay.
But you see, because sometimes they listen to these programs, honor my voice anywhere he is, he must know who is talking. But the thing is, these people, just because now it's not, they are not getting hearing from PM again. Now somebody have taken onye otu ha ewerezile responsibilities in the PM na-ekwuziri ha. Just look at this man anger. Onye a nweta
Eggman.
ogete Eggman, o nweta akpata ya aka now, eh? Ọhụ ya face to face, ọ dị ready ịmapụ ya isi. But that is, I'm telling you, that is to show you their lies. Ekwugo m here before, these people are there, ihe ọbụla gbasara Biafra, they are not doing it anymore. They are just using names. Enwere ebe ọ na-akpọ so it's a BPM pass BDM, it's a BPM pass this person. My brother oge nkere already they have made their choice. The same thing DOS mere. In absence of Ohamadike, they changed the document to their name until Ọkpọbata Obe chọpụtara ya. Without that person replace Ohamadike. They did all these things. So now ha nwere mekwele their own. So between Imam Mmadụ and ha onye ọbụla ha nọ on their own. Look, ihe ihu ha na-ekwu PNP, let me tell you. Magwanga na nchọbụrụ ịga Finland. But
Yeah.
what is holding me back is because after a long time, after I lose my wife, Oma can be so small. So I have to get somebody to mind them. Because even if I want to go out, the case like in Africa, that kind of level of closeness. So,
Yeah.
and I haven't been able to get somebody that fits, that can stay with them. But having said that, I have told you before, all of us, we came to Europe. Some of us have been to Europe direct. We flew, we landed, the joke complete here. Oge a na-akwu PM na-ekwuru, I knew all this was lies. Because oge anyị na-aga nwere mgbe anyị nọrọ na prison like 3 years, All those times, you don't do, there's nothing like only one channel of communication. And we are either about 300 or 400 people in one place. So only one phone before road turn again. So, but let's say all for another reason, KPM is different. But what they are saying, this Sonny now knew, or what before that, saying this can put. Thank God Dr. Abeze never said that for us. I will take greetings. And PM, let me tell you, PM reaches out to Dr. Abeze more than all of them. But the thing, how can I go with anybody? Because this thing is here, PM, they are aware of all this. And even when they came to embrace him in Finland, Ebona Church, PM, what is going on? Did they not meet Uche that they met Uche there? And I say every time, how make they don't know what how call my people are. They were calling Uche, where are you? This and that. That guy left like carry go what they expected. Akwinwe time gave Zama this here and I mean Uche here. None of them have brain here. Since this guy praised with a website. Have they been able to do anything? The only thing had to get bagging with information about Dr. Abez and USB, and because that channel have been closed, it have been closed because when he had make a PM initially, when Dr. Abez was there, because she saw an obedient person to Obatobi, or even when that she don't talk to the military. No, they use it against her. Or one obedient servant to the core. But now, how am I going now on the Korea? Why? How did they know? From that court case, he stopped. Can't shock all of them. Their tune changed. The moment that court case, in Morocco, the first time they refused. They are going to voting. And Isaiah said, no, we must do this. Stop it. And if you recall, when they are planning to do, Dr. Rabese keeps saying they will never go contrary. People like Mahawashi will keep saying that time. Yeah, but that's how drop it. That's how they must drop it. They will drop it. Haso Begezakwa is crying and they are planning to eat a 45 million. How much I know on Nigeria? USB Kakwa.
Even Maza Wadeka. Other guy, Christmas near road now. In a target, if you get the man.
Yes. So
of the nigga panels, would be getting a tree go bumper to bumper. People may make mistakes. Only first years now, you the government men enjoy respect. The issue of that European court. European court. Everybody know where Komaga. Salmon, everybody Nigeria make salmon. We stop that thing.
My brother, let me tell you why would you walk up? Because this is under government.
Government
is writing to government. So that is why I want to name here brigade. Nigeria will go to do that. Oh, because he has the government. So, but having said that, so all him men Van came out and he got angry that now okay, scam, not you collect the money real alone because they are saying that the money now they are very close.
That is scatter we can't hold the what if us
nah, these people so but all the same. Ezoku nwanne onweghị and another thing I may put here said something Nigeria are they angry with this kind of people. All the oge Ọhamadike na-eme ihe IPOB. People just think no naanị ha ka Ọhamadike na-ekwuru okwu. Ebe ka ha si miss the thing. Ọwụ na Simon na-apụtaghị gwa ha that na odinyego onye oji on one particular thing o nwere ike dinye mmadụ 4. How would you know ndị ọ na-edinye ozi ahụ? Because from the in front to their faces, ọwụghị ndị ọ na-edinye ozi ahụ. Ụfọdụ so na ndị ọ na-edinye ozi ahụ. But gụnwakwa na ejuola onwe gị ele other people ọ na-edinyekwe n'ozi na-eme. The same thing during the time of people anaghị ama, they just think IPOB one family ha na-affront themselves. But o nwere ndị na-akpọ behind the closed doors, because I had this idea. That was why Mother Bata has ocean a back door. I thought he be close, issue front door. Position front door behind
front door have to go to the person. Yeah.
So the problem. So but you see, USB government, my brother, it has gone far. I want to message you, my laws are passed. One VSB government have gone far. Here making here legit now. So these people now, sometimes say what put out their stupidity. We love it. Look at the way this man is crying here now. I can pity for him. You
watched this video before, or ever can watch the first time?
No, I'm just seeing it for the first time, yeah. The way this guy is crying, it's unfortunate that Ogione debunk na Van. But why is this? Why I had together before? I need together. That time, no we lie. That is. Let me conclude. Okay, see. And when they hold you responsible for these people's stupidity. Okay. This is how professors. all these boys ha gara school nọ under oge nke the same thing na-eme with Fulani. Ị ga-ahụ onye
I know
na-aga
the
onye primary school professors na-asa ahụ ya na zoo a na-asa ahụ ya ndị professors nọzi ha rig election they rig election for primary 6 or ọkwa ha na-asị m primary 6 adị mma, but that is what is happening na Bongo. Ị ga-ahụ onye na-egoro 6 kpata ego professor ga-rig election. Even they fight to be in that position ka nwee ike rigere onye na-amaghị aha ya. They look at Edo State governor, he can never pronounce any word good. Amaghị m ebe ọ gara school ke, but you see ndị rigere election of professors. So that is what these people are doing. So, but they say 2026 and I think they're supposed to fade away finally because Obatobio 1 is coming out. And already apụta amakwana what is obtainable, he knows. But because how have made Obatobio pụta today, they are not going to stop. I am being on just mark today's date. Obatobio pụta now. Isaiah Anyok can never succumb.
Somebody na why about that na Moral Global party go from Hawa. So what my mind is saying, if that is true, if no okay, get higher pay back.
These people Obatobe Napota and they are aware. It almost anything to do with them. And they know it, whether Moral Global depart or not. Elias himself, I'm early in Greece for years, like 5 years, but when he had Greek struggle hang with like Biafra. How when they went to name with him with through struggle, through guy when they can't now fight for like justice. But the man are fit. You only able to fit into that kind of mentality. So, but when Obatobio come, let me tell you, Imam Madhaban group, they have started their own. Ogenkera and Sonny Haga go their separate ways. I am being honest with you. The Obatobio Potago, how Jack Haga by a war. Just go and watch.
But can you offer Gabana Hebana?
Oh, we are in Nagwag, but his presence.
What when I got so easy to counter.
Of course. Yeah, because
if man actually get good, if I get
yes.
So
So thank you so much. And I'm happy to be part of this tonight. Like ask me some ground and on my parlor right now.
Okay, so if you talk, you know the point online.
Mba, enwere ihe mere ihe aha ahụghị m the face. Amaghịzi m ihe m pere na the phone.
Okay.
The thing
Thank you.
Okay, God bless.
Can I get up if
I know me there.
So Obi-Wan, you are here. And Christopher, I greet you. Tata, this is Friday night, so I know everybody, tomorrow is Saturday. And to remember, fundraising. I forgot to mention that on my video earlier. Fundraising is this Saturday, so keep your eyes on that. And you are expected to your New Year resolution get video. Ini dipụta ka akwụ n'iru ahụ na bọs ego nọ n'azụ ịkwụna n'azụ time ya has come and gone.
Yes,
sir. You need to join the front seat.
Exactly.
Please, if you are just joining us, I expect you to like the video. Our own Madam Origin is in the house. Madam Origin, greeting to you and your household. Ihoma Mero Mo Biafra. Yes, so I greet you. He said, I mean well meaning Biafrans. Everyone that is careful. Everyone that is careful. Oh my goodness. Yes, so thank you so much. Obi-Wan, go to hello. I see you. Ya bụkwana na ọsọsọ hela anụ aka ị ga-egbu Obi-Wan. Much is expected of you.
So that his case will be reduced, so that he will not be implicated the more. But somebody is coming out to pronounce and say that Simon called and sent a message to not just to anybody, international lobbyists, alias moral global strategist, someone that the entire world are following. Anywhere you call Elias' name, being an international lobbyist of BRGI, because of the damages, the credibility damages that we have done to Nigeria from international level down to Nigeria soil, everybody now looks up to whatever they hear about Elias, or anywhere they call Elias' name. And you are coming online to come and announce that Simon is calling Elias, is giving Elias instruction from inside prison. You are piling up Simon's case. You are dragging Simon the more, so that if his case was supposed to be resolved in 6 years, they will now add up more years, meaning that while he's inside prison, evidences that he is commanding and sending order out from inside prison, which is not supposed to.
After, see, when somebody sounds like this, my mind, somehow, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm just saying I have to think what I'm thinking. It could be that, as he mentioned those things, that some of these places that may be somehow for PM, according to him, they're going to use it against him. We are now reminding them to use it, because you guys have done it before, you may do it again. So avoid this kind of your statement, because to me, it doesn't matter. You have enjoyed this call from prison before. PM will say, come and, PM message you, come and show us the message. PM will say you should fall back. PM, your Ogenkere said that PM called him multiple times from prison. From prison. That PM will say everybody should fall back. PM will say everybody should key in. PM will say this and say that to BLA and all this. So all of a sudden, because Imam Adabo, who happened to be the mouthpiece or the mouthpiece of that PM we are talking about, because I don't think it is not the original PM, is the one giving you message again from PM, and you are running away. You are not blaming him for bringing a message that you once enjoyed. You have enjoyed those messages from PM. Why now? Why are you dodging it? Accept it now.
So Finland prison now and European Commission will now go and start digging into unfolding the call, conversations, and messages from the prison of whatever Simon is doing and what he's sending out, so that they can gather more evidences against Simon. And you will claim that you love Simon, but you are the one coming to the media to blow the trumpet, to tell the entire world, to tell European Commission, to tell Nigerian government that Simon is giving order from inside prison.
So you have not done something like that. You have not done something like that. Ada, come and tell Biafran the message that PM, the message from PM, the message from PM. PM will send message to you people. If you, Sonny, you said it not one, not two, not three, multiple times. I'm not trying to promote Mazakwan with Imam Madabo's this imaginary message. I know. What I'm saying is that Imam Madabo, chose to use this pattern to build himself up by creating his own group. That I am the one hearing from PM. When he was with Isaiah Yogo, Isaiah Yogo said, PM will call me, PM will send message to me, PM will, I spoke with the PM, they don't know anything. That I got asking, because when did you talk to PM? That since the arrest of a PM, because I have never spoke with PM. Since the beginning of a PM invitation, and PM, Ngozi and her group have not visited. If Ngozi and her group are not, in contact with PM, then why is it that all of you are angry with Uche? Because starting from four back, four deep, four side, four left side, four upward, four whatever, and this and a bag and a brig and all this, every of them from A to Z hate Uche. I have not seen anybody from the camp of Biafran Disunite to remaining Jews down to Isaiah Ayogo to this one talking now, all these US Muje freedom fighters that are now following Ogenkere. I have not seen any of them that says something good about Uche. Why? Because Uche, according to them, is stubborn. Then how is he sabotaging? Because he's actually the one in contact with PM. If there's anything like that, because they said there's nothing, nobody can contact PM. But I can tell you, Uche is the one in Finland. So how can a man Madabo from Switzerland have more contact with the PM than Uche in Finland? The reason why they are trying to make make it look like that is because they don't keep secret. If they talk to PM, they will blow the trumpet like never before. Uche have since the declaration of Biafra, Uche have not said anything publicly. Like 2 minutes statement, 2 minutes message have not come out from the mouth of Uche. Like giving update or whatever. He just maintained his level. He just maintained his stand. Government is government, done and dusted. Please, any of you, if you can share with me 2 minutes video or voice message of Uche that Uche willingly put out in public, talking about Biafran declared, Brigi, Ogenkere, USB, never, you won't hear from him. That his silence have dealt with these people. That's why anywhere they see his picture, they will start calling him idiot, evil man, a man that have not even said even to cough. He don't cough in public, but they see him as number one enemy. And sometimes I wonder what is wrong with them. Why is it that they see him as the problem? Because they want him to talk more. They want him to start dragging. Oh, I spoke with the PM in the afternoon. Oh, I was there. I did not see you. They just expect him to come out and begin to do that. Imagine why he's such of all people, a woman that cannot even write her name properly, trying to drag Uche, try to tell you that Uche is one that here for PM. That therefore, and so what? All this nonsense must stop. To be honest with you, I have Madam Origin in the house. You're welcome, and Obi-Wan is here as well. Agwa m na program nke abalị na ọ ga-akpọkụ n'oge ozugbo nje fụrụ ha na Oluchiwa God can say yes. Ya na Madam Ojuk. We are here to digest this lies from this camp of this.
Well, Mazi Kai, how are you? Are you?
Ihoma Meregi.
Ihoma Meregi. Ihoma Meregi Mazi Kai. I have come to sing your praise. I don't have time for those swimming. I have come to sing your praise, and that's of our indomitable media pichichis. Obi-Wan, I greet you. I salute. Ihoma Meregi Obi-Wan. Happy New Year.
I greet you. Happy New Year too to you.
Ihoma Meregi. Ihoma Meregi. So someone said something about trying to confirm what you're saying about Moran Global.
Yeah.
Dr. Ngozi Orabueze wrote on her platform, Moran Global Strategies, NGS, departs with Elias Garasolis, I don't know how to pronounce it, and Isaiah Anyogo, aka Ogenkere, by extension, after the United States of Biafra USB PM Simon Ekpa fires Elias. So this is to inform us that, and the general public, that Elias Garasolis and anyone associated with him does not work for or represent or lobby for the newly declared United States of Biafra, Briggy or de facto homeland on an official capacity. So that will now tell you why this one, look at his eyes are swollen. I don't have time for these people. Why is he trying to, they lie so much that they don't even know what they do with their lives. Well, that is not why I'm here. I'm here, like I said, to sing your praise. I have been busy, though I listen once in a while to, just across the board, because to know what is happening to us, we must also look into the local part of it, both the global, the Niger aspect of it, and how it affects us. I know that Iran is actively on revolution.
Yeah.
Good news for them today. Elon Musk X was able to feature their original flag. When we carry our flag after the redeclaration, people don't know what it means. A lot of them were in tears today that their original flag, that Elon Musk was able to at least feature it. And it was like a big deal for them. Use their original lion and sun flag to so they were just excited. And another thing I noticed, amen. No, our own is, you see, what I one of the things they were discussing, I was just laughing. They were discussing, they were like, what do you think? I now call him Uncle Trump. Please, you can call him whatever you like. I call him Uncle Trump. They were asking, what will Uncle Trump do for us? These people are working so hard, and a lot of them would be like, no, we don't want Venezuela style. We don't want Nigeria style. We want this. I'm like, yes, Uncle Trump, the original adults in the room of global discussion. He is among I don't care who said they are leaders. Among the global leaders, he's the only adult in the room. And he is ready to help everybody and anybody. But he wants you to put in the work. I see it's working. You see, my uncle know they laugh. You don't see a laugh. So even when he wants to laugh, it's like he's serious. This my laugh is equally serious. So
I call him Talk and Do President.
What do you say?
I called him Talk and Do President.
Yes, so he's my uncle. He's Uncle Trump. You know those big uncles. When they are coming, everybody is happy. Say Uncle go deliver. So overall, but what I'm looking at is, on how he is dealing with Venezuela. He had a meeting with all the oil moguls, and they are discussing, and I heard why I'm saying this to you is one of your earlier podcasts. You talked about how our doctor, the deputy prime minister, is cautioning all the criminals that are stealing our oil.
Yeah.
So, look, Uncle is not joking. Uncle does not want criminals touching oil.
Original sanitizer.
Yeah, so we are praying that Uncle will come and drive away everybody stealing our oil. And the way he's doing it with Venezuela, he gets the oil, he calls the oil companies, they process it, they give the people, because he said, I'm for the people.
If that document in that program, that part zoom a little bit. You see that never my favorite part. I'm gonna be watching brought that side that. I see that na ever my favorite part na the whole thing. On a go na our allies. Okay for that part.
Yes.
That part where I told you about that part. Now what thank you more.
Oh yeah, one of the things I want people to know is that somebody, one of the people that were talking about Uncle Trump said, you see, some of the confusion that people have, is when they listen to Uncle Trump, they take him literally and they don't take him seriously. And that is a very big mistake. Whatever he says, he talks like an adult. Adults don't open their mouths. They don't say come. So he talks and he does not like to lose. So we are keeping an eye.
The only thing I don't like about talk and do President Donald Trump, but this just 4 years, if just 4 years called Ghana. I just wish no no way any chance miraculously no Ghana we give more 80.
No, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this truth. What he is going through in the United States of America, and that is why people, you see, the third world countries, they fall mugu, or they fall in the hands of the bigger criminals, which are the ones that come take their oil and give them pittance. And because they are greedy, they just collect the money. They tell them, oh, yeah, drive them away. So America is not a place you don't want to be a leader in America. It's tough.
Yeah.
So what he is doing is trying to do the much he can do. And also the international, all these criminals are, setting booby traps everywhere. But we'll pray for him. God will protect him. And you will not, because of what is going on, you now kind of mess up the system that has allowed you to follow things by the rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. But let's pray that he's able to sustain and get a predecessor, someone that will start from where he stops. That being said, I'll leave Obi-Wan to talk.
I'm happy to hear from you, because, like I said, I have not seen you for some.
Honestly, it's just I know. I said, let me just come out and say hello to brethren before they think I'm missing. I'm very much.
It's good. It's good. Madam Ojugo was here yesterday with me, and the day before yesterday was River Goddess. So.
Oh really? Oh, I've not been very active on that.
No, I understand. Some days are like that. Thank you so much, ma. I really appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you. God bless you. Obi-Wan. In Akwabu. I'm on that. In Akwabu.
I am here. I am here. And good evening. Good evening, folks, and Mr. Kai and Madam Pichichi. I really appreciate you. Yeah. And now Luciwa God.
Yeah.
And whoever I did not remember to say their names, the ones in the comment section. I really want to ask this question. Khalifa, this guy now,
Akbarawa.
Yeah. What is his occupation?
That he's not he have not received any money from anybody. He was trying to clear himself in this video. That the time that the PM Briggy, when they are paying for people,
I'm not talking about. I remember who
posted. He said that he have something doing. That's what they said.
Like what is something doing?
He did not mention that. He did not mention that.
Because the reason why I'm asking this thing is that if anybody that choose to come out to lead this struggle must be somebody that have something upstairs. You must be a smart person, number one.
Yeah,
You must know,
I agree.
you must be somebody that you have to be using your brain. You must have like if suppose ga-eso n'ife a na-eme because na people that you are about to be engaged with are just ordinary people.
Yeah.
Because I that's why I'm asking what is his education background? What does he do? What has he done before? Because these are questions. Because Himana, when you are talking about agitation, at first, everybody is involved, whether my agboro, my bus conductor, my
It's
onye
true.
na-ele tomato, everybody is involved in agitation, and anybody can get a post depending on how active that you are, just for the agitation to be going on. But there should be a time when professionals will get in, and that's where they are having problems. So that's why I'm asking ihe ọ na-eme. And Oge Nkere, what does he do? These are
Okay, Karen.
important
Okay, okay,
questions.
okay, Karen. I actually don't know. You
Ọ
understand?
na-azụ mgbuka, ọ na-azụ mgbuka
Okay.
n'Amerịka. Ee.
Anyway, onye na-azụ mbuka is all something doing. But the point I'm trying to make here is for you to be out to lead people like Biafran people, we have a lot of smart people among us. And they don't really know that because the whole all this time this agitation has been going on. Nwebe mgbe ha introduce people that are smart into it, people that can reason out, think out of the box. Ha na-eme the same that syndrome Nigeria jito. Ịma na enwe syndrome anyị jito na be anyị that is inside us that ya amaghọ. You can see those things in our politicians. Corruption adịrọ anyị ka ife. Enwere things anyị fụrụ anyị na-akpọ atọl atọl na winch market. Enwe ụmụ broken anyị na-asụ anyị ji akọva mpụ na alụ. Everybody does that. I were here as a nurse, na I smart. So that's where I actually focus because these guys, when you listen to them, you actually ask yourself a question. What is it? What do we want? What do they want? Are they really serious on what they are doing? Or they intentionally doing what they are doing? I'm just speaking generally. It's not that I don't know their main purpose. But I'm just anchoring on exactly what is it that are we defining that we really want to gain? Is it Biafra? If it's Biafra, what is the problem of us anchoring in one platform to achieve it? Now, by me listening to Ogenkere, if Sonia Parawa is smart, I believe he's not smart, but he is a cunning human being. He's a deadly cunning human being.
That's
Oma
true.
Wayo, very well, yeah. And he is still with Ogenkere because Ogenkere na agbachi ahụ steady. This guy dapo kita. This guy dapo from Ogenkere. Ogenkere follow. Nobody will hear because in Anya, most of the statement that Brigi puts out or Akbarawa idea. Ogenkere cannot write those things. Omakwa self that now you can use AI to make a speech. At least that's a common expo in which onye go there the smart can actually do. Because I know the era of artificial intelligence. People did that assignment and all those kind of a thing. So when you watch these guys, if how criminal mindsets that they have, because he came out, he's talking about we are not going to take order from PM in a very, very serious note. But they made sure that they will not forget the order of fallback. If you think that PM is giving you a wrong message, don't you think that the fallback message might be wrong one? Mobona anyway message that is coming out from the prison that has been contaminated. Don't you think that mgbe have fall back that it might be a wrong one? So they choose the ones that favors them. Nke ọbụla efavor ha sị na a doctor gị. Okay, Yotago. And at the same time, you can actually see that they have that similar character of Nigerian politician inside them. After you become councillor, you want to be governor. After, without having a shop, after a governor, you want to go for Senate. After Senate, that they just want to keep repeating that political cycle until because that's the only place money comes out from. And for the fact that they are still relevant is because I can with fools who cannot $100, which I don't just understand why it's still happening. Even the ones I was disappointed on the guy called Academic Highness because I thought the guy is learned somehow, but I realized that he's actually with these Perigi people. I just wonder how akwụkwọ niile a ọ fili n'ọgụ kedu ka o si wee ghọta or except more ọ dịkwa ọ dịzi arụrụmana intentionally. One thing that is going on in the world that these people does not understand is that the world is shifting. The world is changing. People are getting liberated. Nations are falling. Ụfọdụ ndị believe no ha na-achịbu obodo now are going down. If you read global news, you will understand that there's a war going on, which is a new era of AI regime. And also the highest world power now. That was one of the reasons Trump put the invade Venezuela. Venezuela had a lot of oil, highest oil. They don't want China or Russia to get there first. In China na Taiwan. So people na try capture. People na try capture as many territory they can be able to capture to be able to still stay on top. And when it comes to Biafra, I think United States of America needs Biafra as a whole more than we need them. Why I say so is that they did that in the Middle East. That's why they are winning. That's why they won Iran. How did they do that? By making sure that they made sure that the Jewish people goes back to their house, to their home. How make sure na establish a Jewish state in the Middle East, made the country kpakpọ. How we ike deal with Iran, we deal with the proxies Iran they use. And they have understood what is going on now, that in as much as that these guys have been defeated in the Middle East, that they are moving down to Africa to establish another one. And what they are looking for, these jihadists, they are looking for a stronghold where mineral resources will be abundantly to them. Watch out what is going on in the north, how they are sucking the mineral resources in the north without accountable to give account of all the resources as part of resources in Nigeria and well. So soil in our own side, which they really want to capture. You understand? So they need Biafra more than, and you see what they will do. Let me tell you, whether we like it or not. And I actually thank God for the fact that this agitation came at the right time. It's very, very marvelous. Because the US need the Biafra to be able to control this jihadists. Although they were supposed to even know go ourselves. Or I was supposed to take charge of for Western Africa. So I suppose in our control the whole area or Africa as a whole, because we can be able to reason with them. Automatically, we are much more closer to Israel even than before US, and US always back Israel. You want to go? So whether they like it or not, and look at the bottom line of whatever that is going to happen and whatsoever, and the Nigeria is making it very, very easy for everything to happen, you know. And another thing I wanted to say, I don't really have much, but I was watching your program you made last night about the Igbo Muslim of a thing. I would have
Okay.
loved part of it, yeah. But what I do is, open a later I go rewatch and just to update myself. I actually, ebe anwa ka m nọ, by all of a sudden, mmadụ ịnọgide ọ ndị Hausa, ndị Fulani ịnọgide ekwuo okwu Igbo Muslim, like ihe ma that na one day that I can hear. Amam onwe ka o si agbagharị, like ịnọgide go one day buru n'obi na mmadụ ga-anọgide sị gị Igbo Muslim. Like I've never thought of that it can actually happen, but it's happening. But the question you must ask is, what is the reason? What is the purpose? Why are they doing it now? Because we must actually
For conquest.
think. That's what I'm saying.
It's just to conquer you. They have
They
tried.
want to.
They have exhausted all the plan, all the plan. They think they can use all the tactics. So this is the newest one of them. Is this to use your people in name of Islam and all that, because the religion is one of the ways to conquer you. I hope you know that, to conquer someone.
Yeah, I get it.
Religion.
But why all of a sudden they start bringing the narrative of Igbo Muslim? That's because very, very sweet.
Because the time, because they're working with time. So if they're not doing it now, when the international community begin to talk about disintegration, which will finally happen, okay, because they will negotiate about it. That time is coming. So they are now foreseeing that thing. They are foreseeing what the future holds. Okay. And one of the reasons, hold on, my brother, one of the reasons why that thing will happen is because of religious genocide and religious issue, religious differences and all that. So they're now realizing that, look, we should have done this thing earlier before now. So that whenever they want to do, we say what about our people that are also practicing Islam in that region?
Yeah.
You understand? So that is why anybody telling you to just ignore it is lying. You need to speak about it, expose them, because there's nothing like Igbo Muslim. It's a fraud. And any of our brothers that are taking that incentive or whatever they call that, allow yourself to be used. You don't deserve any pity. That is all the fact. You don't deserve any iota of pity. Because to me, I rather face you now than even Fulani Muslim. Because Fulani will come there and practice and go back where they come from. But if you hide that you are taking money, which there's nobody for now, there's absolutely nobody apart from those who are into cow meat business that are claiming to be a Muslim just to buy cow at cheaper rate. Okay, that's why I love this our sister.
Name is Aminatu Mgbojibia Mohammed Yetunde Omodara Basirati Okpe Oluwa Kpokoroko Mbotompom Aragbachiu na anya ebe ahụ. Asị motoro sawukwu na afọ. Asị m gịnị otoro sawo na afọ. Kịtịkpara mbara kwụtụ jie unu ukwu. Islam Muslim, Igbo Muslim, we go.
Okay, mana, this is a very, very serious matter. Serious narrative they are pushing. And
No, from time to time, I will be talking about it too.
yeah,
Nobody,
it's a very,
from time to time,
it's a
I'll be
very
talking
serious
because
thing.
we have to.
They are
Like
using
this
the
lady,
tactic. They are
you
using the
see,
tactic that
continue,
born.
continue,
Okay,
continue,
for ihe
continue.
manifest. Okay, for ife butelu ị na-anụ eze ndị Igbo. Ịnụ eze ndị Igbo na ebe nwa. Eze ndị Igbo na ebe nwa. This is ọkwa ndị ọcha. Okay, mana ndị ọcha wepụtara that idea when they want to conquer. Ndị ọcha wepụtara ya. They came to do the same thing these guys are doing. When they got to the north, it was easier for them to do it because you can just say one thing to the command or Oluana. But when they came to Ndibai, they couldn't get it. They couldn't get in just like that. So what they did, they started selecting few people, make them rich, which is what they are doing now. Which the few people that have money in Nigeria can never speak about the freedom of their people, because when you check the background of the wealth, you understand that it was the North that made them rich. The contracts that they are getting in Nigeria is because they have a connection from one Alhaji. So when they created this SND, now that was how they were able to penetrate us. Otherwise, they wouldn't have. So that is actually the same narrative these guys are pushing by actually using our own people. Mana ebe ha nọzi wee daa ya bụ
Sorry, my brother. 2/3 of ndị na-afọ online abụghị our people. Ị na-aghọta?
Gịnị? Ndị na-eme gịnị?
2/3 of ndị na-afọ na ha bụ ya ime Muslim na abụ m onye Igbo. Ị na-aghọta?
Yeah.
2/3 of them abụghị
They are not. They are not. What I'm saying there is that now, why I know that this thing is dead on arrival is because Yoruba enweghị ebe ha gbado. Ihe mere Yoruba ha ji conquer nwo Yoruba like that by inwe Yoruba Muslim is the same reason why they were able to penetrate Britain. British wetara Ayoka, but none of them goes to church. That's why Muslim ji karịa na be ha na convert the churches to mosque without them knowing, even on their wetara Anglican. The same thing Yoruba. I don't think Yoruba.
Even in Britain because
Yeah, you can actually see the practical part of it, how it happened. Cause is there, but at the same time, no, the car abiabai akaneje oka ụtụtụ, je oka mgbede, je Monday class, je brigade, je ekpere Wednesday, je youth, je Friday class. All those kind of a thing. People carry punctual. Then you kunyekwazia ndị ụka shop, ndị ụka store. Here been a one building. You feel like 5 churches not there. Every Sunday, onye ọbụla na-eje church. Everybody wants to. The thing not now, you bụrụ onye nwere eje church. Ndị omenala ka na-emesi ihe omenala ha ike. So culture anyị kasiri ike for them to be able, and it can never mingle with Islam. It can never mingle with Islam. And when na-ekwu na Exodus platform today, I was telling them that na ndị be anyị ka nwere ihe a na-akpọ ịkpụ alụ. Eke nwecha culture dị na be anyị that can never ever be part of Islam, because otherwise they will keep clashing. You have to do that kind of a thing. So that's how I knew that it is dead on arrival, and they actually came late, even though they want to penetrate. But I think that what they wanted to do is just to keep themselves. They want to have that little light of Muslim inside us, so that when I establish Natazia Bidozie, everything work over well. Kaha invite wazia, Kasina na invite their brother for him and all Kasia, Habia invite wazia and Dibia, Habia, Ebido na kona how minority anua
don't worry. When we are going to run the program again, I will announce it so that you can join us. And I don't want to deviate from this topic. That's why I don't
yeah
respond much about what I say. So let's go
yeah
back to this video, and I want us to, because the lies and what is going on is what I want us to understand. So now, Barawa, Oginkere, and what they have done in the past, which they are not trying to tell us that that thing is non-haram. We have to expose it beyond the repair. So I hope you are still here with me, right?
yeah I will be watching. I just got back now, so I saw that you're
Okay.
online, so I just switched to put it, but I will be listening though.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
All right.
God bless you.
I continue to warn again that BRGI is not taking order from Simon from prison or working on his ordinances from prison.
Okay.
He's not commanding or instructing anything that is happening here now. I made it very clear, and I gave you reasons why. You must not tag Simon's name. You must not use this. I want all of you to go and observe. The fundraising flyer that we use and the town hall meeting, you don't see Simon's face there anymore. We remove it for a reason, so that you don't implicate him the more. So that while he's standing in trial, whatever cases that they are piling up against him can be reduced.
Now, they are trying to play smart, to be honest with you. You see what he's saying now? The truth behind this nonsense that this guy is saying is that they have ruled PM out as their leader. That's number one. But they don't want to come out and be proud of that. They have to hide, they have to present it in this guise. That they actually want to protect his image, his court case. So we are no longer talking about him because of his imprisonment and they have detained him. Okay, we copy this and tell you, I'll be like, I changed the document because I don't want his name when they're going to investigate. I don't want them to see his name in the document. But he forgot that he changed it before they even arrest PM, before the arrest of before PM, before they take him in. But they will use everything to justify this crime. How can you tell me that you use PM all this while? You brag that he spoke with you. You shared information from him. In fact, you are even calling somebody who appeared to be your enemy at that point in time to come out and tell their friend the message from PM in her phone. Come and read it out. Only for you now to say, oh, if to the extent the PM picture, they will have removed it from the banner.
Mr. Kai, Okwema nọọsụ ka ndị a na-anọ since ha bido biri ya. The only thing that they have achieved, that they have achieved in this struggle is Ngozi Orabu Fulani. That's all. Onwe bụ ofu mkpụrụ ite ihe ya asị kịta ka esi Sonny Akparawa.
The only thing they have not achieved anything from that.
That's the only thing. Won't be anything. And won't be any step we have to take for
using her name to catch cruise. Continue.
Yeah. There won't be any step that they choose to take to actually tell Biafrans, okay, this is the way to go. Because one thing people should actually understand, Obu need be serious about something. As in an empty drum makes the loudest noise. Obu need be serious about what you are doing. I don't think that they should be remembering that Ngozi Orabeze is existing. The same way, if they have found that Dr. Ngozi Orabeze don't know that they are existing. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze is busy doing something important. Why every day they come here, they talk about onye ha ga another information from, onye ha ma another information from. Isi Hakita said, can you people say, okay, tell us what next? If you have what next to do? Hebunita Kuko Elias. Elias our lobby. Kelu mbosi otege kwuru okwu lobby ya kwute ona lobby a nwezi ha na lobby ta. At least since e jewere okwu lobby anwa. Aka ngo no fi ihe Elias.
Okay,
Ina amu Mr. Kai, what I'm saying, since 1 year, Elias na-ekwu okwu lobby anwa. Can we hear lobby tago? Because now by now, I remember when Ogenkere say in some months' time that we will now start seeing the
lobby tago. Ogenkere have succeeded in having handshake with not less than 50 of them.
Lobby tago. I don't understand. I'm not there. USB name. Eh? I handshake.
You have succeeded in having handshake.
Right.
Yeah, Mama said, Nandi I don't understand. Before internet after before. Enwe level of ndị nọ na struggle now and ndị agboro a okay ifu ndị a niile ndị a ucha agboro a niile ịpụta ha chọrọ ha na operate ebe where they think that when you say nobody asks questions. This time around when you bring out something people will dissect it. Only madam origin ya pụtakwu something o necha ya come your dela hore ahora. Ola hụkarị ya ụra ọpụta the next day sigo kere ihe ọ na-ekwu dodiri unu o wee bidozie wee pịa gị ị ka na-ekwu river goddess after wee jụọ gị ajụ. These people think that we are fools that onye nke mesịa pụta filie na ya na ọbịa ofu ihe the worst of it is that the so-called professors are actually part of this thing. I cannot just who do they think that we are? Ibia ikon kocha kokambu story. Ibia ya can just follow. What we need is action. I told one aga. Nandi kano ne preach upon nini no preach or preach cha can they thought that Nandi Kano was joking. And I call him and according they or Evel ESN or Akaba. Everybody understood that no anekwane Trump no anekwane. The same thing Simon but he could that I won't go cigar conasene. Asene Sony Hanem. If you defend yourself or you debunk according to you guys, you need debunk. But you know, you need senior Gina and ask Abarakana, only Gigi and Akonya. They meant something. I'm advising them to be doing something that we will be seeing.
The problem here is that you yourself don't want to understand the good work of Ogenkere and his team. I don't know your problem. I have told you that this our brother have successfully had handshake with not less than 40 million.
These guys are just jokers. They are joking.
Always you are going to want to say something before I go to Madam Origin.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I've heard what our brother is saying, but the thing is, what they don't understand is from the day Biafra was redeclared, we don't need they do not need lobbies for anything because in here replaced the lobbies with Department of Foreign Affairs, United States of Biafra. They are the leaders, Honorable Ades, Uche, DG, Director General, na Foreign Affairs. These people and the head of missions in the pillar of foreign affairs, and these are people taking messages, documents to different countries of what we are, who we are. So these people how this is relevant. So, but because, like I said before, how women go their own Kai, make no mistake, they are happy to go their own. And I nature layers na fundraising because Brufen did it. Actually, Balaga. So, Kumoku fundraising. That's where we're waiting him for. But that is where he's heading to. He wants to begin to announce fundraising for Ogechuku Nkere. Which, if he does that, then Yahoo said a lot of Biafra. But having said that, layers, moral global, whatever, their job will end to go because when PM now about speed, they will not about because only capable hands who will run this government. And PM somebody who understood who Dr. Abeze is. The rest of them are water. No matter when PM was, they were paying allegiance to Dr. Abeze. Or like natural favor, from Dr. Abeza, COSPM, COS to Biafrans. But the moment PM put on the scene, and like I said before, and a lot of stupidity me DPM na chopta and not the way to make this stop. But sometimes PM got see actually good because on PM na nwere ihe gị na PM na-eme ihe ọ ga na-eme ọ chọpụtago gị but ọ ga-anọ n'ọkwa gba gị nkịtị enwe gị ga-eruzi ya sị gị enough is enough. So had the angry for DPM because all those years even men on the ground there are some stupidity ha atachara a na-eche ihe niile PM ji gbachie nkịtị ọwụ na declare Biafra he will restructure ma ndị ga-alụ ọlụ like ihe emege now. Asịrị ndị a na-akọ like aboda na-ekwu asịrị so n'ihe a na-eme. Ị na-anụ asịrị a from this United States of Biafra government? The answer is zero. Onwe onye nwere time ihe ha focusụrụ owu ọyụhụ oge a gara Burkina Faso. United States of Biafra were represented in Burkina Faso. And now a serving bishop of dying to try it there. So, but the thing, because they are not doing anything, they are looking for their annoyance. Now, let me conclude now, because I have to go to bed. Here, na talk having not any information USB now, Lord. But because somebody this smart, like this our brother said, if you are smart, you are smart. Dr. Abeze stop a lot of stupidity when stupidity stop kanko. Exactly what happened stop IPOB na DOS gbasara ego niile ha na-eri n'aka Ọhamadike that time. Ọhamadike pụtara na-eti mkpu na anyị na-amachi ha na-amụ maachị ebe ka ị na-aga. Mgbe Ọhamadike nwere broadcast mụrụ asị gị na anyị daa enweta ihe anyị nwụọ ebe anyị na-achọ ya, ha ga-asị na ọkwa naanị ya ga-anwụọ, ha agaghị eso anwụ because ego ọ na-ereliziri ihe a na-ewere ha ego ahụ enye gị ndị ekpezi ihe a sị ma emeghị ihe ya. So mgbe ị hụrụ ọbata anyị na-eti mkpu kama anyị na-enweta ihe si isi anyị ọbanye, a ga na-agba na ọkwasọ isi gị ga-abanye na ya eso. Ọwụ ihe mere oge ọbata obi nọ ya, o nwere target o ji na-ekwu 5 years 5 years 5 years. Ọ ma na oruo that level ihe niile will come to an end ma ndị riri ego ha riri ma ihe ọ na-ime ha mkpochapụ. But because ọ wụzighị ya nwa mere ya, ahụ m ebe ya nwanne gị nwoke Ogotuso ebe ọ na-akọ jụọ ya ihe niile ndị dị na Simon n'ọrụ ọchịsịchana ha dị anyị level abara ndị meeting the standard. They did not meet the standard. Even ọbata obi structure this ndị a meeting the standard. So achụọ gị ma ọ wisi na ha alụ ọdụzụ ọnụ gị ga-adụ n'ọdụ and you nwere right to start your own bụ otu oge nkere bidoro his own na ịma mmadụ aba nkọ. So let me conclude. So Mazika, I want to thank you, for this opportunity, and we pray and hope anyị awụkwa prayer hope m na-ekwu akwa ahụ for anything nọ. Ọ bụrụ na maka United States of Biafra is done and dusted. Onweghị nothing like I don't sleep and pray for United States of Biafra. But ama m get the caliber of ndị na-pilot the ship. Ọwụhụ ndị wo anọkata ịchakọma story. But even if as at that still, ihe a needed the cognition na-abịa this 2026, and when it comes, I ain't going to apology to anybody. We still move with the trend. Let them continue to do their thing. I have seen it on now. Mas, you there here now, not today.
Yeah.
How wait, they are not heavier than DOS now. They are not heavier than but I got the storm. We weathered the storm, man. So there is no cause for alarm. So they can continue to, put up their stupidity. I will want them this year to adjust. This fight should be dated. How long? But to actually hold their nakedness, because we want to see more. Thank you, Mazika.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. God bless you, and my regards to your family. Good night to you. Good night to you. Madam Origin.
Yes, Mazikai. Again. Yeah, I was going to send like a rebuttal to what Obi-Wan was saying. And in fact, including you with the, what did you even call them? Igbo Fulani or Igbo Hausa? Igbo Muslim.
Igbo Muslim.
Well, yes, I think it would have been a genuine concern. It would have been, hear what I say, it would have been a genuine concern if we made a mistake of not compiling our constitution very well. By the way, all these ones that we are talking about, Europe is gone. Europe is gone. Yes, so Europe is gone. Oh no, anybody know Europe? Just no, you people are supposed to start planning to go home tonight to Biafra, because Biafra is going to give you a better protection. Exactly. There's something I'm going to send to you. In fact, I will not forget. I'll send to you. I'm glad you say that in UK it's a course, and they brought that course to the rest of Europe, because when they were doing what they were doing, scrambling and partition, their forefathers didn't do well. Yeah. And they set up, instead of them to set up a good way, what Uncle Trump is doing now. And that was what made Uncle Trump and his family leave Europe to go and, develop America, the Western world, where things are done with due diligence. They try to follow law and order and execute order. Make sure that whatever you're doing it right. It's very difficult to follow the path of righteousness, to follow due diligence. And that is why when these our so-called elders, they follow the path of, I think I'm beginning to see that a bunch of these Europeans came, and very rough people, I think those that came to scramble and partition Africa, they were criminal minded, with a criminal code. Grab it, snatch it, run away with it, share with it, create confusion, because up to today, they must tell me who created Islam, because now I'm beginning to see that thing is man-made. That thing, because it came 600 AD after Christ came and left. Who concocted that thing? Who concocted it? If you look at the origin of that thing, you will ask the same question I asked. How did somebody wake up and say that, okay, this is Islam, and we are the children of Abraham, and we are, they now try to connect it very, very, criminal-minded people. I don't care who. Somebody started this. Somebody started it, cooked it. Because when this man they are talking about passed away, he passed away, is it like 630 AD or something? When you look at the footwork of all that happened, you believe with me that somebody concocted that thing and started poisoning. How can you write in the book you call Holy Book that God said by Jews, by Christians, anybody that do go good God? He didn't say by bad people. He said he just puts people blankets. Haba, something is wrong. It's fundamentally wrong. So when they started this, their kurukere, they now came and said, because they have vandalized Africa, they then say, okay, let us allow them to be coming in. In Hungary, is that how they pronounce? Hungary say chai, we know.
Hungarian.
A few, I think there are 2 or 3 that I remember clearly, but I'm researching. I think there are about 8-10 of them that say chai. They cannot make that religion acceptable in their country. And that is the ones you see is having small peace, that they are sleeping and waking up. But go and check the rest of them, which, like I said, I'm going to send you a video that say you will watch. Their papa will be UK. Now, in fact, I don't have anything to say because they are the one that masterminded what's nearly annihilated. How can you plan to annihilate a nation, a race? You know, fear. You think God will be sleeping. Everybody, you confuse everybody, deceive everybody. So bottom line, what I'm trying to say is that our constitution took care of those people. You see, those nimi people, the one that said they are giving them money they collect. And everyone that have given them money, they will realize that there is no such thing. All I may have So, and another thing I want to say is just to thank you all because, by the way, why I said I have a big thank you to give our media is because what the media has done for us in this space of 1 year is your people do not understand. You don't know. Okay, for example, Iran started revolution. No international media was carrying it. It was people like you in Iran that were able to carrying it big time. In fact, now that it's getting to 2 weeks plus now, they are now looking up to those people to give them information, what is going on. And number 2, that because you'll be the one to tell your story. If you and all our media pitches were not there, someone else like in India Foreman will have been telling our stories. And what do you think? How will they? Hey, please, so they would have given a very bad story. They will have messed it up. They will have marred it. But because you're here,
that is why I always said that. That's why I always said that it's good not allow your enemy to tell your story.
Yes.
If they're to write your history, they will write it upside down. You know, I don't know if you watch our program yesterday. Obi-Wan, are you watching? Did you watch the video to the point where I shared this girl video? Speaking of on the film man, this girl claimed to be an Igbo Muslim. Here, her Igbo.
Ụmụ nwoke ndị main market Onitsha unu na-ezuzu ezuzu unu hapụ aka aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị aka bụ nwatakịrị nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị nwaka aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị hapụ aka aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị hapụ aka aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị hapụ aka aka bụ nwaazị akwụmaka aka bụ nwaazị akwụmaka aka bụ nwaazị
Inania. Hapamaka akambu omwaze. This is somebody non-line they claim to be a Igbo Muslim.
So what is her problem?
No, she's not Igbo.
Yeah, it's true.
So she's just this is the agenda of Fulani to flood our region with their people who manage to, this is something that we need to understand. Once you give them land and because they keep on giving birth like termites, they will grow up in your midst, start speaking your language, and they will not allow you to learn their language. Our people don't know how to speak Fufude, even today, Fulani language. But all of them know how to speak outside language. When they go to your state, first thing they will do is to give birth there and force them, make sure they learn your language and retain their culture and their agenda. That's the most deadly part of it. They will learn your language, hide their language from you, then they will now retain their deadly agenda. And so anything you want to discuss there, that they will be there in your midst. They will grow up because they believe that their children there will still go back and trace their origin and all that. That is conquest systematically. They are not in a haste. It doesn't matter if they will die here, their children will continue for where they stop. That is the agenda. This one now may know how to speak Igbo, but not very good. You can see she's not even proud of her Igbo language. Listen again.
Ụmụ nwoke ndị mme market Onitsha unu na-ezuzu ezuzu unu hapụ m aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị
aka bụ nwatakịrị aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwaazị aka bụ nwatakịrị ọ na aka m bụ ụmụazị aka m bụ nwatakịrị. But because now she may not even know you don't know how many weeks they gave her this script to keep on repeating it for this shooting. And here, look at it. It said, from her accent alone, do you still need anyone to tell you that she is not Igbo, let alone an Igbo Muslim? So if we get on, so Ibiara and the Igala children from Kogi, who lives in Nsukka and Onitsha, speaks Igbo in the same way that Igbo children lives in Ogun State speak Yoruba. Common sense. So there's nothing like them, but don't say because they are not Igbo, you should just go and marry your pillow and sleep. No, because at the end of the day, they may not speak Igbo good, they may not speak good Igbo now. What about tomorrow? You see, my own village, they are there. Until what happened, we told them to pack your load and go. They said, no, that we prefer, we don't mind to start paying like yearly. Let us rent your bush. Our people said no. Our bush is not for anybody to rent. Because if you rent it, that money will be going to sweet you as time you not chairman as Igwe. They will pay you some millions. Don't worry, they're not stupid. Okay? By the time they think they have paid enough, they will now keep the ammunition within them and tell you that we bought this, we purchased it. Haven't to be paying you. No more renting. They will claim they paid for that for the owner of the place. That's why they will start buying people when police have come, because they have already made the report in conjunction with the so-called people who are supposed to protect everybody. They will use them and tell them they will have been paying you. And they will ask you, okay, what is the problem? You will not open only the region at the end. They pay me every month. For how long? And people say, so what is your problem? Now they want to pursue them after making money from them. Because the system is in their favor. So the best way to avoid it is distance yourself, not renting, nothing. If they want to rent, maybe your house in the town, good. They will rent. And just like people who live in North are renting houses and shops. So once those places that not bush, for crying out loud, not bush, because you cannot face the battle. But some of our greedy people will accept the money and pretend it doesn't matter. It matters. So if your people are doing the same, go and tell them It may not be head of those that collect that money. Or head of innocent one. The first. If you actually overpower them, the system, the people, the owner of the country will not say that you murder somebody, therefore you have been sentenced to, death sentence. You have been sentenced to death. So, all Kapamman even though they may avoid. That's what I have to say about that one.
So what I'm trying to, let me conclude what I'm saying concerning all this Muslim, Islam, and all of that.
Sorry for interrupting you.
Oh, not at all. That's fine. So there's something I learned from Iranians. When we keep saying that, they were not even at Turkey, they were not up to 20% when they took over. And one of the things I don't like our people, what they say, some of our own, like USB people, they will not come, they have turned everybody to it. They didn't turn anybody. Nobody, they are not turning anybody. It is propaganda. Because what happened to Turkey, what happened to Lebanon, even Iran, as you're speaking, because why I was telling you that it is good when you tell your story. When you tell your story, you tell it as is. You tell people what is going on. Now, people are saying there's revolution because of hunger. Iranian people say it's not hunger. They say it is to end Islamic regime.
Okay.
They want to end Islam rule inside Iran. That is what they want. You hear all of that 1 million crowd, 2 million, however they are. What they are clamoring is they don't want Islamic rulership. That was why when I was telling you that their flag, they replaced it with that is it sun and lion?
The original flag.
Emblem. Yes, they call it their original flag. It is the same flag, but the emblem that is supposed to be in the middle is that sun and the lion. So that is who they were before these people came, invaded them. So you find out that it's not Iranians, it is the few greedy elders that were able to now say all Iranians are Muslim and they are 90%. They lie against the people. So when the Iranians themselves come, they will tell you exactly what is going on. The same way you, Mansi Kelena TV, all of our media pitches come out to tell the truth of what is going on. Versus those swimmer that's collected money that are lying and making it look like what is going on is not
in the Pascom.
In the Pascom, yes. Yeah, so what I'm trying to bring up is that it's not just our people, it's just like it is an agenda. And by the time we stand our ground with the help of our constitution, we will overcome, because they won't have a place to start constituting nuisance inside Biafra land.
That's true.
Yeah, so that's what I wanted to add.
God bless you. God bless you. Like I said, I will try my best to see if you can repeat that program. But from time to time, we need to talk about it. And I want to also make it clear here that people that are, yes, Doreen, I thought you were here before. Yes, you went that. We are still here, my sister. People that are behind these Igbo Muslims are no other people than Yoruba people. Hear me clear. People that are behind it, pushing it, they're not only Fulani. Okay? Yorubas are also in it, because they believe that two of them join hands together, that Igbo gather for them. Just like when somebody who if I don't know if you have that kind of friend, let's say when you are in secondary school or primary school, somebody that that did not do his or her assignment, and he noticed that this assignment that he did not do will affect him, and he starts struggling to make sure that your own, that you are not successful, so that both of you can be in the same grade, because his mistake, he wants you to make a mistake as well, so that your own grade will not be more than his or her own. These people, they failed woefully. They are now in the hands of Fulani. And what they want is to make sure that Igbo land also fall the same way. Just like the same people the same thing that some of these South are doing. Because they are minority. They love it when Ikureman says that I'm not Igbo. They love it when Anambra people say, no, don't add us to you, Igbo land. They love it because this agenda is real. They don't joke with it, too. But some of us want to, is only a politician. Let us elect somebody that is good, somebody that can lead us, somebody that can make it real. No. Yoruba people. When I'm talking about Yoruba, those ones that are in charge, that are in helm of affair, because I know some of them will say, no, you are insulting an entire nation. I'm not insulting. We have good Yoruba people, decent one and reasonable Yoruba, educated one. I'm not including them here. But the only problem I have with them is that those ones don't have time, or they don't know how to confront the other version of Yoruba. Do you understand? Like Igbo people now, you will see me now, and you see people telling you what we are going through in our land, pouring my mind the way I feel without offending anybody. If you feel offended, it simply means that you don't like it when people expose your own negativity. I have not come out and I have not seen on my live program or anywhere, even on in my video, say calling for war. I don't do that, or tagging anybody with that kind of crazy mindset. No. But the truth is that our land, people are working hard, pushing for our land to be like other parts, to fall. After that, my program about Muslims. Thank you so much, Doreen. God bless you. Please get yourself a coffee. Yeah, Maragama, thank you so much. I will. Thank you. God bless you. And reward you mightily for your donation. Thank you. I appreciate it. So some of us need to understand that without you also doing something to stop it, you will end up like them. They will invade you. Okay, there's a video of a Yoruba woman who happened to be a traditionalist crying out that they burned her house. Why? They want her to leave the environment, go out from the environment. Why? Because to them, they want everybody there be of the same faith with them. You may think, okay, let her go for peace and reign. It won't end there. They also want to advance it to another part, because the idea is to conquer everybody. At the end of the day, is either you relocate to maybe Benin Republic, or you lay your hand, they will buy you. That goes back to what Steve Adosina was saying, that your land or your life. Oh, somebody now not one official in that government of Buhari in national TV telling you that your life or your land, and nobody complained. Everyone was calm. What do you expect? So we need to be careful. And to some of our brothers who don't understand what it takes, steps that you have to pass for you to even become a nation or even be proud of, and even say, for you to even have math and say, okay, well, this is who I am, and this is what I want to be. You need to calm down before you wage war against your brothers. Because I like Pedro. I don't know if you have subscribed to this channel. Pedro, who often sends some crazy voice message and insulting people. I listened to a voice message where Pedro is insulting our brother Exodus, insulting a school, especially Chino. Crazy people. You don't know something, but you want to argue about it. Why can't you just wait? And even though you may think that you are right, like some people do, oh, I cannot be part of a USB government. They are not doing anything. USB is just a waste of time. They actually lie. See, if you say it that you don't trust, okay, can you now hold yourself so that you cannot be focus on what you used to do before the agitation? Focus on it. But constantly coming out and begin to attack people that are doing something when you are not doing anything makes you a loser. That means you are an evil, you are a demon. I don't like DOS, their decision. That doesn't mean that I hate them as a human being. But I cannot come out every day, start talking about them. Why? Because I have seen somebody doing it better. That's why we don't focus on talking. They're the one now talking about those that are doing it better. They put their energy, their resources to criticize someone, Biafran Prime Minister and other Biafrans. But remember, these are people who claim to hold the template and mandate, and they're following the pattern that Mazamaka laid according to them. The question is, why is it that they don't focus on that one? That they claim they know that they lead, that they're the leader. They have been here for Bonati Perigidem. Why don't you put your focus on that thing that you think that is the right way? Continue with it. Never. Anybody is telling you that he's a freedom fighter, he's agitating, but all that person do is to criticize another person constantly without reporting what they themselves are doing, without showing you what they themselves are doing. Their own organization have now turned to their own brother. That person is one of the major problems. That's why from time to time we talk about them, but must we concentrate on them? No. Don't want to look like what I don't like. I don't want to look like what I don't like.
Can I say something very quickly, if you don't mind?
Please don't mind.
I am, when I was speaking at the first time, you said, oh, how Iran, they are ahead and you think that they are doing better than us. We are doing we are far ahead of Iran. This is and let me tell you, like, for some reason, I was just, honestly, it's important to follow and know what others are doing so that you compare what you're doing and see if you're doing well or if there is anywhere you need to do better. One of their discussions, because, they have this monarchical system of governance, which they were really on the path of democracy, though it was a monarchy, but they were really doing it well before this Islam thing came and invaded them and took over. Now, even as they are doing everything, they are on air 24/7 monitoring what is happening, especially most of these people that are in the diaspora trying to help the people inside. They are now talking about referendum. See, it is so, I don't know how to explain it to Ndi Paskoma for them to see if not for that referendum and all the redeclaration and the signatures, the world have gone past what do you even call it? Equal bandas. The world is not in the medieval. And what these Pascom people are doing is they want to do medieval style. You carry stick, you're hitting this person no. There is a pathway, there is a footwork, there is a system in place for you to get recognized. And if we have all this in place, what is going to stop us from being recognized? When we have a good government, when we have someone that can speak and the world will listen to her, when we have someone that is doing it the right way. You don't even know all these some of these this thing. She did them that first 1 month or 2 months that Biafra was redeclared. So much was put in place. So I am so happy for us as Biafrans. And the truth also is that when I'm calling about Iran, people will be like, oh, How about Iran and Nigeria? No, they're two different things. Because Iran, they are one people. Nigeria is 10 nations. It cannot work because the whole, what I'm looking for as a Biafran is not what a Yoruba person needs. The need of a Biafran is not the need of a typical Yoruba person. As much as I have them as friends, we don't have the same needs. So there is always going to be that clash of interest because we don't need the same thing. So the best thing is everybody go to your country, which is we are Biafrans, build around our values, build around our personality, because our personalities is not, that's why they think that we are we insult our elders. Their elders are eating doodoo. They are doing the ballet for them. We don't. We call them out. So it is a very that one alone is a big difference. So I rested there, Mr. Kai. Thank you. Today, maybe I just want to say all I have not said in the last couple of days.
No, it's good. That's why this is late hour broadcast. We don't have any special way. Like imagine me starting a program and put a link out there. Anybody that want to join, even like from the beginning, no problem. So that is what we do here late hour. So we go through. You say it the way we feel. And there's something you said about Iran. When I said that, when I made that kind of wish, why I did it is because I believe that, like what you said about Elon Musk, following them, right? That is good. That I wish that kind of thing also, because it's part of recognition. You understand?
Yes, I agree with you. It was big, and it was their bloggers that pushed
that is the area where I was coming from.
Okay.
Let's continue. My baby has started his her normal duty. Let me continue.
When they look for evidence here, they look for what we are doing, publicity and whatever.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Please.
They see that there is.
Bear with me. Okay, sorry about that, Doreen. You're laughing at me, Abi. She need attention. Yeah, she has gotten it, so no problem. Let's go back to Sonia Barawa. Okay.
Here, that is acting here, that there is an active leader here, but not the person that is in prison, that is acting from prison. No. Or instructing from prison. No. Or giving orders from prison. No.
So this is Sonia Barawa trying to define the job of his acting prime minister. Okay, trying to define it. Yes, so that you are all the knocking. So trying to define it, you know, that truly you now have a leader that is leading here presently. So you don't need to wait for anyone in prison. After shouting, respect the order from PM, You know, PM. Well, Biafran, you say you love PM. Why are you following Orabo Fulani? But now the same PM is now trying to undermine and to sabotage. You know, he's now his selfish interest. That he so now Akbarawa's memo. That write up, oh my goodness. That is right up will go. It will go a long way because it's not gonna get old. Maybe from time to time we dish it out again and talk about it to remind people. And PM offense is simply because PM said, "Do not go to court." The same thing not that he actually told the USB government about Lazuba, which Lazuba is bragging now. That then Ngozi lied. Oh, they said they sued me. What I can know was not going to but thank God for life for people like PM and Mass American, of course, and Dr. Abeza. People that actually patient people that have patience naturally. Some of you say that, okay, you have patience. I don't think I have that kind of patience to compare their own. Imagine somebody after there was a time, I don't want to call them, but you know what I mean. Some of you may remember what I'm about to say. One of the army dished out a voice note and that was saying some unimaginable stuff against her. Then she come back and said that I told my general, I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? I can't do that kind of thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm a human being. Yes, I can't do it. That's why I said naked already. After making such video with a lot of allegation like that, hefty allegation, you know, something that most of us know that it doesn't carry any water, she will still calm down and reply. Honestly, the respect that she has on them, God Almighty. Anyway, as no because that respect is superb. But yeah, the bagodi. I focus on if I is Makayano Lava, Sonak Barawa and his his effort to explain their new way of agitation now, because trying to relegate PM by any means necessary.
They say that Simon is not the one commanding anything from prison, that his name is not aligned to anything that we are doing because he is behind bars, that we have turned the barrel of gun from Simon to we that are here now. So let the barrel of gun come out from Simon name, bring it to us that are here now. It's a way of his honorary.
If you listen to this, you actually think that okay, they actually care for PM. No, this is a way to tell you that we are here to solidify that APM is not the PM. We are here to tell you that when APM will change the document, he did well because he's actually trying to do PM a favor. That's what they're trying to do, thinking that they're smart. No, you're wrong. Listen.
Simon from everything. For those of you that go to the media and you start shouting, when Simon was here, this happened. Stop it, I have warned you several. It is not Simon that was doing anything that was happening. Stop putting his name and putting him into more problems. Everything that was happening when Simon was here, it is Biafran people that did it. Don't go and tag Simon to it. Don't go and say it's Simon that did it. Don't go and give evidence that it's Simon that gave the order. No! It is we, the Biafran people, we, the government of Biafra, we, the BDF, we, the de facto government, we, the Biafran people, don't go and tag it to Simon. I live here tomorrow and you don't see me, or they say they lock me up because of Biafra. Don't come and say, I was the one giving the order. I was the one doing this. No! It is the order of the Biafran people. It is the order of the government. I was just a representative. Listen very well. I was just a representative. A figure that was appointed by the government to be the spokesperson to speak for the people. He did not speak for himself. Stop tracking his name. Stop tracking his name. Stop adding or putting it together and making references. No, stop it. How can somebody be in prison and every day you come out and you are dragging his name everywhere? You write this letter, you write this memo. Simon say, you do Simon say. Simon is saying in chains.
Now they don't break now. Now you can now see the chain in his hands. Really? You don't see it when you were calling Lasba to come and tell you what he received from PM. Even though you don't, I don't know how you managed to. You have not even explained to Biafran how you managed to know the message that PM sent to Lasuba. Remember that message was sent to her direct to her phone, no? But for you from Kevadi, you actually know that this message was sent to her phone, and you actually know the content that because that you were saying it with joy. And I come and tell Biafra, so you even designed one a cookie, trying to peep you out. You know, you say that this is that trying to, you know, trying to come out and give the message that PM sent to her. You remember those days?
A man that is saying something in chains is acting under duress because he's not a free man. He's not a free man. And I wonder how useless and foolish some of you could be. That you are here. Your brain is free. Your hands are free. Your eyes are free. Your legs are free. Your mouth is free. And you can easily do anything you want to do. You can punch somebody. You can eat anything you want to do. You can jump around, dance around. You can say whatever you want to say. You can go to UK today and go to Qatar tomorrow, go to America. Can Simon that is inside prison do all those things now? Can he move around? Can he go to anywhere? So why will you now be here?
Using his name
to cause more havoc.
Now, who started using his name for the first time? Who started using PM name? When the people that are giving you, telling what PM is telling them to tell you are Elias now, was saying the same thing, giving you messages. You said Rabu Fulani deleted, or Rabu Fulani deleted. The guy asked because nobody sent her message. After that, you said that PM have another new message now came in. Why can't you obey that one? Because it favors you. Do you realize how many messages that you guys have received from PM? We allege it that you received message from PM. Do you know how many times you have announced to Biafrans that PM said this, PM said that, PM said you should fall back, PM said that nobody should contribute any money to the account, PM is the one that brought the mandate account. Do you remember the time that you guys used to expose bank account? You said that is bank account, the Nigerian bank account, that these guys are Ngozi registered bank and tell you to pay money in Nigeria. I remember, which I asked you then, when PM used to have town hall meeting with Biafrans in Lagos, Biafrans in Abuja, which account do they use to make donation? Is it let's say Brazilian account? no, John. Eva, you celebrated it then when other PMO, but when Biafra started, in other USB, donate money, you leak the account and they will block it. Since you hate Nigeria system, do you know how many Biafran, how much money that belongs to Biafrans that you guys have shut down that goes to Central Bank of Nigeria? If that money we get there anyway, after all, sometimes it will end up in the hands of a banking manager and the group. Okay, but what I'm trying to say, when Biafrans open an account, you shut it down. They open another one, you shut it down. They open another one, you shut it down. And your reason is because the account belongs to Nigeria, is a Fulani account, Islamic account. The same you saying those things, actually having town hall meeting where they're contributing money to give Asaya Yog, APM. I want you to know, man. Like someone like me, I know they do forget things like that too. I still remember those things. You see those things, it's still fresh in my mind. Come and ask me, Balankete, upon the woman, come on, no, upon the Amadi Fogo, come on, the way they cook. You know what? Most of you, if not all, you guys devoted your life, your energy for something negative. But it is funny when you come out and begin to make video like this after what you have said in the past. Everybody don't know a problem. My own is to remind you yesterday.
You see Orabu Fulani. Orabu Fulani will come out to come and talk nonsense. She will start. Simon say. This one will come out from this side. Simon.
I have not seen any time DPM said that someone messaged me and said, what she can do is to tell you that you started at about 4 p.m. in the past. And when you go back to verify, it is true. She only reminds Biafran what some of you did in the past. She have never said PM will send a message to you publicly. No. It's always, normal official communication that you guys have received it and you did not even deny. When PM told you not to go to court, what did you do? You told Moral Global to give you one month to reassess it to see if you can convince PM. And you started working towards that. And during those time, it was like you are truly having contact or conversation with them, not until Imam Dabo disappeared and formed his own group. That contact somehow stopped. They started mocking you guys that PM have despite PM is not talking to you. Like Masa, PM is not talking to Ogenkere, he's not talking to Ngozi. That one have license, international license for lying. Like he can lie anywhere he goes. He's aware. This guy he knew that even from the time when you guys said that you had the PM, your ATM spoke with the PM, it is all from Imam Madabo source. When Imam Madabo withdrew from Ogenkere, then that contact is stopped. We are calculating, and all of a sudden PM, chose to communicate with a CRC that he can call them in the morning and afternoon. No more with Ogenkere that he used to call for 30 minutes. Oh God!
Simon said, what happens to your own mouth that you cannot say yourself? What happens to your own mouth that you cannot say? Why must it be Simon said, or Simon did this, or Simon do that? Use your own mouth to do your own talk and make your own pronouncement so that it will be used against you, not to go and use what you say against Simon.
Then whose mouth did you use when you told Lasba to fall back? That Remedios is where he is today because of that lie. One lie can send you to that place when you have never crossed your mind. You wouldn't have believed that you will ever be there. One lie from one cookie can send you there because you may mistakenly grab it, thinking that you grab it, that you have won yourself a jackpot. You don't know that you are in for a long, long, long journey. Look at, hear him.
And align Simon to it.
Other guy na madam ya negu again. I don't know.
I salute all of you. So, from this video of the congressional briefing, I want you to listen again.
The senior fellow American enterprise.
My brother Daniel, he said that that this Migo does not feel ashamed in calling Dr. Abeze or Abu Fulani. This one is no longer an issue. If you like, or Abu Fulani or Abu Niger Republic or Abu, no problem. At the end of the day, don't go to court. Did you obey or not? You know that? So, now people call away me were like, oh, this kind of name calling. Now I don't feel it, to me it's nothing. It's part of it. He's going to get a massive level of his stupidity. All from this kind of if I on adopt I can get you a man that goes with now. What do you expect if not this?
Listen again and get the message.
Thank you very much, Mr. Acting Prime Minister. I don't need, first of all, it's good to see Biafra represented so well in Washington, D.C.
It's good to see Biafra represented so well in Washington, D.C. Put on the comment section. I'm not somebody that goes about begging program every day. Oh,
yes.
That's so well in Washington, D.C., Capitol here, in the White House on the 18th of September 2025. This is something you need to ask yourself and say, how did I represent Biafra since our leaders have been in prison? How did you represent Biafra since our leaders have been in prison? How did you represent Biafra in Washington, D.C.? Are you part of those that are using your platforms to fight this very war that happened and is happening in Washington, D.C. on daily basis? Meetings upon meetings, political, diplomatic, and international engagement are ongoing and happening in Washington, D.C. on daily basis. How are you representing Biafra in Washington, D.C. while your leaders are in prison? You open program every day. Oh, Sonny, you're killing Biafra. You're killing Simon. Elias, you're killing Simon. You're killing Biafra. Okay, Nkiri, you're killing Simon. You're killing Biafra. I saw one other idiot wrote on the comment section and said, Sonny, you are using Biafra money to build houses. I laugh. When some of you started this nonsense narrative before, that time you said it is Simon that is using Biafra money to build houses. That Simon is a criminal. It is Ajare that led the campaign. The same Ajare today that claims to love Simon more than all of you. So I'm just reminding you that the leader of the propaganda, the blackmail and slander is Ajare. Is the person that gave you the code and the notion that Simon is a criminal and that Biafra will consume Simon. That Simon is eating money, is using your money to build house. Yes, it's Ajare that gave you the code. So when you want me to play the video, I'll play it for you. You know, many of you have been using Biafra for your stomach infrastructure for years. So when you see anybody in Biafra affairs, you think that the person is coming with your same ideology. No. I have a life. And I live my life before joining Biafra. And I take care of myself. And not somebody that goes about begging to eat. No. So don't think that. I want all of you to look at these platforms from where I'm speaking from. Do you see monetization from these platforms? If you're watching me from Facebook, you're watching me from YouTube, you're watching me from Twitter or from TikTok, try to click on the monetization button to see whether you can put any money there. Just try to click it. you see that you will not see anything. So I'm not after your money in Biafra. I did not come for money. I came to give what I can give based on the available time that I'm still alive, because I don't know when I will die. Nobody knows tomorrow. My father fought the Biafran War. He survived inside the battlefield and then came back with his body. He did not die during that war. He died in the year 2000. Within the year 2000s, that is when he died. So, my DNA is not that one that I come and then I focus my brain looking for monetary value or monetary gain. Nah. Go and ask all the BRGI cabinet members. Ask any of them that say Sonny is calling them to beg for money. Just go and ask, and then let any of them tell you, yes, that Sonny is calling them to beg for money. I'm asking you to go and call. Call all the BRGI cabinet members from the beginning to the end. In fact, call PM. Yes, call PM. Because when PM is approving money for people to be helped from media team, I turn it down. I said, no, because you are going to encourage people to become money mongers. You're going to encourage people to now fix their eye on money. That what they will get, what they will gain, how they can gain, they will turn it to become their factory. They will turn it to, anyway they will happen, they will now run back to BRZ. Blood money of people. It's what many of you want to turn back to be gaining from. I said, no. That is why many of them are angry with me, because I did not allow them to make money from BRGI. So when you're writing all those nonsense, go and carry your phone. Call all the BRGI cabinet members from beginning to the end. Both the EXO and all the ones that have gone to join Honorable Fulani and all the ones that are with the man now. Call them and ask them, is there any day Sonny carry phone and is begging any of you for money? I did not say I have money. I'm not in Europe. I'm not in UK. I'm not in Asia. I am in Africa. So if I were to be in Europe or Asia or America or UK, the sky will be my limit in how I will support this freedom with my money, with my sweat, with what I will work and have. But I am in Africa. But I am giving the little that I can afford. So I'm not a rich man. So when you go and start writing nonsense, that Sonny is eating money, I ask you, which money is Sonny eating? Does Sonny have access to money? Does Sonny manage money in this government? Even the man that manages the money, he is not eating any of your money. Rather, he is wasting his own money. He is wasting his own time, wasting his own resources, wasting his own family, wasting his own pleasure, his own energy.
I thought that when somebody said that you are wasting your money, simply means that you are putting that money where on something that is not going to yield any fruit. Right? That even if you say, maybe to me it's wrong. I prefer you saying that, let's say he's spending his money. But when you say waste, that means he's throwing it out for just spending the money and on something that is not valuable, or something that is not that does not worth it. I don't know, but are you saying that is that how you see Biafra movement? He says, okay, spending this on Biafra. Because the truth is that he's not spending anything, he's actually making. And you saying, oh, you did not monetize your platform, we are understanding you did not monetize it, I know. But and so what? And so what? Because why will you bother to monetize it when you're actually making the mega one? And maybe you have realized that that money that some people think that is in YouTube is not actually in YouTube. It is in the YouTube, but it depends on what you are doing. The content is somehow being suppressed. When you're talking about Biafra, you can't compare with somebody who is talking about other, let's say, current affairs. Or maybe you are talking about sports. You can't compare the two. Why? Maybe later, but for now, nah. If you want to create content that is for money, Biafran content is not actually there. Because it's limited. That some people don't want to watch. How many, mention one person that is talking about Biafra, that when the person upload the video, the person will not hit 50,000 views, 60,000 views, 100,000 views. How many? You get the point now. And some of them, let me not go there. But the truth is that you don't use that to judge. You don't use that to judge, because if you are making money, if Elias is, Asayayob is sending something, say, thank you for calling it West. Yeah, mister, you are so right, because he is spending it on a flavor like him. And don't forget that was the Sea Lion lobby, Elias. Don't forget that one. Elias, the scammer, have been sacked from so-called. Anyway, that one I will see that one later. Okay, let's continue. There's something he said here that actually made me. That's why I'm still playing this is his video. There's something he said that I want you to hear.
Putting all that they have. Do you know, some of you don't understand something. The kind of load that you put on the head of Okenkere.
Listen.
Is one that you cannot understand. You call him the finance minister. You call him the acting prime minister.
1 minute is this.
You call him the active prime minister. You call him all manners of names.
Okay, this is
some of you call him.
Let's say 43 minutes.
Some of you call him
minutes.
everything. And you give him a very big load. Normally, when someone is in a particular position or department, there are people that should be bringing everything so that he will just dispatch the duty. But what is happening is that right from when BROGIE was formed, he carries the load more than every other person. He carries the load more than PM. He carries the
Ogenkere carried the load of this movement more than PM from Sana Barawa. Even if I don't have time, I will make this part go viral. I'm gonna cut it out. So listen, this is what I want you to hear.
Some of you call him everything.
Listen.
And you give him a very big load. Normally, when someone is in a particular position or department, there are people that should be bringing everything so that he will just dispatch the duty. But what is happening is that right from when BROGIE was formed, he carries the load more than every other person. He carries the load more than PM. He carries the load more than everybody. Because he is not just answering that name, but he is carrying the load. He is putting from his business and putting from his family and putting from his life.
See, that is why he's APM, and he's supposed to be APM than even PM. And he's not receiving any money. He's most innocent. Even when PM want to give some financial aid to media, he rejected it. He never for one received a dime. But despite he sounds like he's educated, in his own belief, his own mind, in his own way of understanding things, Ogenkere is the main engine of Brigade. Right for the time they formed it, he is the one carried the load, he carried the threat, he carried the danger, he carried the suspicion, all the thing, all the go is on him. His life is in danger, but PM is in prison. Okay, I understand. They try to, his life is in danger, he carried all this load, he's everything, but PM, they try to assassinate him many times. On social media, nobody actually know him. Even before the arrest of PM, we were meant to know that he's camera shy. I swear that if we go for you, sorry, but I just pray that you repent. You need Jesus. The level of your life, you don't need any apostle. You actually need Jesus. Like Jesus need to lay hand on you. Wow.
When they say somebody has a position, he is sacrificing more than he's supposed to. So it's not the name or the title that you give him, but you are giving him a very big load, a load that none of you is not doing, but he is doing it. A load that he has been carrying for years.
Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Like I said, I will call this part later.
No, before you close it, there's something I wanted to add. You said he needs to repent, he needs Jesus. This type of people, they are, in fact, if Jesus come, you will tell Jesus, come, make I teach you walk. You will tell Jesus, say, Jesus, say we can share me. No. Jesus. This is how it works here. Why do you think our world is like this? Because some people, Shebina in brother, they do in the morning, he will do rendition. In the evening, he will go and break aqua. And he'll be smashing egg. He think if Jesus show up, he not go smash egg for him, so. Because he want to turn Jesus, put Jesus inside him pockets. You see, these people, sometimes I look at them, I say, Satan go deal with this one, so. Because Satan is angry, because waiting these ones they do, he no do them. All he just did
they are trying to take his work.
And some of them, they will say, hey, God, though, is Satan, no. Satan say, me. Me. You, where they there? Me and you. God is trying to see me and you. Who do and pass. Now they say it's a Satan. You do your own, I do my own, all of us. These people, eh?
Oga. Hey! Chukoti kabiama.
See now, please make sure you find where he did Rabados and began to do rendition. We'll be putting them together. After he break egg, he will now start laying hands and start prophesying. There.
Who laid hand?
This one now. Not being is he not the pastor?
Okay. I understand what you're saying. I've not seen his video where he's doing that his pastoral work.
I will that's what he did. He was just preaching. He was doing fundraising in the name of Jesus. Say, if you give one, the Lord will bless you. And you will he start if you see rendition now, they look up, and that's after he broke ego.
Wow. This guy.
If you are yet undecided about it and you know you are whiter than snow, go and pick up Aqua Honabalia.
You see, I know being
that you are.
Oh my God, this video can go and pick up the Aqua.
That's why he is Dibia pastor for me. That's what qualified him.
We also in tongues about I also in tongues about
can netiwa Ngozi Ezobika
if I got
Nkechi blessing Ezobika can netiwa go obi can na gbajisi go okwu can na gbajisi ga aka can na ekpuchi ga anya you
can be high
niile gbakọrọ ka ime ụmụ Biafra ọlara dị gị n'isi
These people are pathetic individuals.
That's it.
Sick individuals.
He want this nonsense that he's saying to manifest with the speed. On again, on again. Ekwendala wonake that is doing the wonake. Even me, as of that time, this guy mentioned me na his egg ritual was calling my name. Nah, Mabuya body name, I know.
Emma had Emma someone Emma like him now. Haga na Kovu now. Hambia name. Hamana Kovu disable like the thing open. You can even pick in. I see Ebehana hyper. Devil is a liar. In a devil in India.
Mba, Ojuka for taba. Devil for water. What about it? Thank you so much. I got
that we're supposed to be I beg, make you close it. You see, I don't like to talk about them.
In my level, that's supposed in on here. I did everything with one hand. Did everything with one hand. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you, Madam Origin.
Obi-Wan, are you there? This one where you don't talk. Couldn't they hear me here?
All of go in.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so tomorrow is another day, and please don't forget that tomorrow is fundraising, and you're expected to join and do the needful. This 2026 is not the year of.
Shebina, you enjoy. No one na gonna warm up. I when I have been there since. Not be me go they tell you say me I no look for you there. Now we they set the table for the fundraising now.
No, I you know say they did the 24/7 now.
It's okay.
I cannot stream it without being there. Anytime you see me streaming there, streaming that fundraising, that means I am already in the studio. So that is it. Thank you so much.
All right. Good night.
Thank you. Take care. All right, my people, we are going to end it now, and make sure you join us tomorrow or today to some of you, and see you again. See you again. Good night, and good morning to some of you.